distinguished guests, their colleagues, and Uyghur fellows. It is an immense pleasure to welcome you all to our third edition of the International Uyghur Forum to Berlin. We're really delighted to see you all tonight, and we're happy that you could make the time to join us. Before starting our official program, we will start with the Uyghur National Anthem.
Yolda sudek aktı bizning qanimiz sen uchun ey yurtimiz fido bo'lsin jinimiz qon kechib ham jon berib oxir bo'ldik ozodlik qalbimizda var bo'lg'achqa e'tiqod imonimiz otlarning jonlari o'chmaydi tarix betida nasli qoldi jangovar biz uning avlodimiz chufti jon ham oqdi qon yaşasın, mır yaşasın, güzel istikbalimiz. Yaşasın, mır yaşasın, güzel istikbalimiz.
Thank you. My name is Zumratzai Erkin. I'm the Vice President of the World Uyghur Congress, and I will be
Менің исмім
your
Zumratzai
MC tonight.
Erkin, Dünya Uyghur Qurultayı'nın
I would like to welcome you all to watch an introduction video about the International Uyghur Forum.
In 2016, the camps began. Millions of Uyghurs disappeared. The world watched. Over the past decade, the People's Republic of China has carried out what international bodies now recognize as one of the gravest human rights violations of the 21st century. Mass internment, forced labor, cultural erasure, the systematic separation of families, torture, surveillance, silence. Millions of Uyghurs and other Turkic peoples have passed through a vast network of detention camps in East Turkestan. Their fate, largely unknown, but the world has not been entirely silent. 11 parliaments, including the United States, the United Kingdom, France, Canada, Belgium, the Netherlands, the Czech Republic, Ireland, Lithuania, Taiwan, and the European Parliament have formally recognized these crimes as genocide and crimes against humanity. The United Nations, the Uyghur Tribunal, Human Rights Watch, Amnesty International, all have confirmed what Uyghurs have known for years. Recognition has grown, along with everyday growing evidence. Yet, the persecution has not stopped. Then 20 countries gathered at the European Parliament. In November 2022, the World Uyghur Congress convened the first International Uyghur Forum in Brussels, Belgium, at the heart of European democracy. Over 200 participants from more than 20 countries gathered at the European Parliament. Parliamentarians, legal experts, Uyghur survivors, civil society leaders, united by one purpose: solidarity. In October 2023, the forum moved to the National Diet of Japan in Tokyo, organized by the World Uyghur Congress in partnership with the Japan Uyghur Parliamentary League, the Parliamentary League for Investigating and Taking Action on Human Rights Violations by China, the Japan Uyghur Association, and the Inter-Parliamentary Alliance on China. Over 150 participants from 25 countries, 80 speakers, 70 parliamentarians united to take a strong stand against the CCP. Both forums concluded with a declaration calling for concrete, coordinated international action to end the Uyghur genocide. Since then, we have launched many successful campaigns and sustained attention on the Uyghur issue. This June, the International Uyghur Forum returns. From June 11 to 13, in the German capital, Berlin. Organized by the World Uyghur Congress in partnership with the Uyghur Center for Democracy and Human Rights and supported by the Uyghur Friendship Group in the German Bundestag. This year's theme is about accountability. This is not a moment for reflection alone. This is a moment for action. Parliamentarians, legal experts, survivors, whistleblowers, government representatives, civil society leaders, Uyghur advocates, all gathering in one place to seek concrete paths towards justice. Forced labor in global supply chains must be stopped. Uyghur refugees must be protected. Families must be reunited. Transnational repression must no longer be tolerated. And perpetrators must be held accountable. 10 years have passed. The time to act is now.
To kick us off, I would like to now invite the President of the World Uyghur Congress, Mr. Turguljan Alauddin, to the stage for his opening remarks.
Assalamu alaikum. Distinguished parliamentarians, academics, human rights defenders, civil society leaders, dear guests and fellow Uyghurs. On behalf of World Uyghur Congress, it's my great honor to welcome you to the third
mehmonlar
International Uyghur
ve
Forum.
dünyanın her qaysi joylaridan
We are
kelgan
not
aziz
gathered
Uyghur
here
qarindoshlarim.
for an ordinary conference. We are gathered
Dünya Uyg'ur
to
qurultayıga
raise
vakolatan sizlarga
the voice
sizlarni
of a people
samimiy
facing
qarshi olaman.
genocide. We are
3-cü
gathered
növbətlik
to stand with those
Uyg'ur munbir
who
yig'iniga
are being
hammanglar
silenced,
xoş geldinglar.
forgotten and denied justice. And
Bugun biz
we are
odatdagi bir yig'in
gathered
ichib atmaymiz.
to reaffirm
Balki
the
bir
determination
irqiy qirg'inchilik
of
uchrayotgan
a people
ve
who, despite
boshqalar
severe
ovoz chiqarishga
repression,
petinmay
refuse to
sukut
abandon
qilayotgan bir xalqning
their
ovozini
cause.
dunyoga
This
yo'ntish
year,
uchun
10
yig'in
is
ichib
10 years of the
Bugun
camps
biz
from
irqiy qirg'inchilik
recognition
uchrayotgan
to
bo'lsamoqmi,
responsibility.
davosini voz kechmagan
This
bir
is more
xalqning
than a theme.
tevrenmez irodasini
It's one
dunyoga
of
yana
the
bir qitim
defining
jakalayapmiz.
moral and
Qadrli do'stlar,
political questions
bu qitimliq
of our time.
munbirimizning temasi
10 years
lagerning
ago,
10 yili.
the Chinese
Tonuştun
government
javobgarlikcha
denied the existence
oldimizda yana
of
nima
the
ishlar bor
camps.
dan iborat.
Today, the
Bu
fact
faqatla bir
are
odatdagi
undeniable.
savol emas. Bu
United
milyonlagan
Nations
Uyg'urlarning
reports
taqdiriga
have been
bevosita munosabatlik
Parliament
tarixiy savol.
have
O'tgan
adopted
10 yil o'tib
resolution.
ketdi. 10 yil ilgari
Independent tribunals
dunyo
have
Sharqi Turkistonda ta'sis qilingan
judgment.
jazo lagerining
Scholars,
mavjudligini
lawyers,
inkor qildigan
journalists and
bayonlarni
survivors have
anglatdi.
exposed
Bugun
the truth. No
bugungi kunda dunyo
one can
haqiqatni
say
biladi.
we did not know.
Birleşken Devletler Teşkilatı'nın
The question
dokümanları e'lon
before
qilindi.
us today
Ko'plagan
is no longer
parlamentlar
whether
qaror ma'qulladi.
atrocities
Mustaqil sud kollegiyasi
are
hukm
taking
chiqardi.
place. The question
Ko'plagan
is
parlamentlar qaror
what we
ma'qulladi.
will do about
Akademiklar,
them.
qonunchilar va tadqiqotchilar isbotni o'tirib qo'ydi.
Recognition
Hamma
alone is not enough. If
hammadan
genocide
muhimi
is acknowledged,
lagerda
perpetrators
ziyonkashlikka
face
uchraganlarning
no
o'zi
consequence.
Xitoy hokimiyati ularni
If
jimoa
families remain
tushgan bo'lsa-mu, ular
separated,
haqiqatni
If religious freedom is criminalized,
dunyoga
and
yetkazdi.
if an entire
Hamda hech
people
biz bilmabdiq
continues to
deyolmaydi.
face
Hamda hech kim
cultural
biz bilmabdiq
destruction,
deyolmaydi. Shundaqdimi
then our work far from
bugun
finished.
biz o'zimizni bu savolni
The
so'rashga
genocide in East Turkestan is not
majburmiz.
only a
Haqiqatni
Uyghurs
bilishning
issue.
o'zi ham yetarlikmi?
It's a test human dignity.
Hamda agar
Human
irqiy qirg'inchilik
conscience and
e'tirof qilinib,
the
jinoyatchilar
international
javobgarlik tortilmasa,
justice.
agar bir xalq tubdan yo'qolish
Today
tahdidiga
not only
duch
people
kelsa,
are being targeted.
dunyo faqat
Mosques and
Bayan bir işlem çekilinip
have
kalsa,
been demolished.
eğer aileler parçalanıp,
Cemeteries have been
balalar
destroyed.
kimligidan mahrum kalgan,
Books have been burned.
mahrum kalgan halda çoğun bolsa,
Language and culture
diniy erkinlik
are
çekilinip
being
ibadet kılış
erased.
cinayet hesaplansa,
The bond
undaqda
between
bizden
generations
körüşümüz
is
tehi
being
ahırlaşmadı.
deliberately
Teximo canpidarlık bilen
separate.
köreş kılışımız lazım demek.
Because sometimes the
Hürmetlik dostlar,
fastest way to destroy a
Şarkı
people
Türkistan'da
is not
yüz bir vatkan
to
erkek
destroy
kırgınçılık
the people
fakat
themselves, but
Uygurlarga
to destroy
münasebetlik mesele
their
emas.
memory, identity and
Bu
history. Yet
bir
this
insani
forum
qadr
sends
qimmat
a
meselesi.
powerful message. The Uyghur people cannot be erased.
İnsani vicdan meselesi, dini erkinlik, milli kimlik meselesi. Bu
Their
insan
faith
bu
cannot
insaniyetning
be
kollektiv
extinguished.
vicdanı üçün bir sınak.
And their hope for freedom cannot
Bugünkü
be
günde
broken.
Şarkı Türkistan'da
This journey reflects
yokutuş
the
nişan
growing
kılıngan fakat
international
insanlarla
importance
emas.
of the Uyghur
İbadet
issue
hallar çıkıp
and
itildi,
the expanding
kabristalıklar veyran
coalition
kılındı,
committed
Uygurca kitaplar köydürüp itildi,
to address
tilizlik çeklendi. Ata-ana ve evlatlar oturusida
to
rişte
document suffering.
üzülüşke başladı.
We
Bazı
are
vaqtlarda
here to advance
bir xalqni
solution
yo'qotishning
of
eng tez usuli insonlarning
over
o'zini ham nishon
the
qilish
common
emas, balki
ways we
ularning
will
tarixini,
discuss
eslamasini, kimligini
to
nishon qilish.
strengthen
Ammo
accountability, expand legal awareness, combat
Biz munbardan
forced
aniq jakalaymizki,
reunite
Uyg'ur xalqining
separate
tarixiy aslimasi
families,
o'chirilmaydi.
protest
Kimligi yo'qolmaydi.
Uyghurs'
E'tiqodi
identity in
shakllanmaydi.
diaspora. And
Uyg'urlarning erkinlikka bo'lgan umidi
empower
hargiz
the
yo'q
next
qilinolmaydi.
generation.
Hurmatli yig'in qatnashchilari. Tunji xalqaro
Most
Uyg'ur munbari
importantly,
Yevropa parlamenti o'tkazildi.
We
Ikkinchisi
will
Tokioda
continue
o'tkazildi. Bugun
advancing the Uyghur
bu
people
munbarning 3-inchisi
is
Berlinda
right to
o'tkazyapmiz.
determine
Bu faqat
their
jug'rofiylik
own future.
safardan iborat emas.
Because justice is not
Bu
only about
Uyg'ur masalasining
addressing
xalqaro
past,
sahnada kunsilik
it's
kuchayotganligining
about
ifodasi.
the
Biz
future. I would
faqat zulm
also
hikoyalar
like
so'zlab
to
o'tiradiganlar harakat
express
qilmaymiz.
my
Biz hal qilish
deep
chorasini deb chiqadigan
gratitude
siyosat belgilaydigan
all
xalqaro sahnada
parliamentarians,
hamkorlikni ilgari suraydigan va kelgusini
scholars,
shakllantiradigan
societies,
harakatimiz.
leaders,
Harakatimizni qilishimiz kerak. Bu
journalists
dal
and friends
bu qitimqi
who
munbarningki
have
maqsadi.
joined us
Biz bu yerga
today.
faqat o'tmishdagi ishlarni muzokara
You are
qilish
not
uchun to'planmadik.
only
Biz
friends
kelgusida
of
nima ish
Uyghur
qilishimiz
people.
kerakligi haqida
You
yo'l
are
xaritasi
friends
tuzish uchun birga
of
keldik.
justice,
Oldimizdagi mezgilda
of
biz
humanity.
tuvandagi sohalarda texmi kuchli
And
qadam
history
tashishimiz kerak.
will remember that. To my fellow Uyghurs, we are living through a dark chapter, but we have not lost our voice. We have been
Hurmatli mehmonlar,
scattered across the world, but we have not lost our unity. We have endured immense suffering, but we have not lost our determination. The Uyghur people will never abandon their pursuit
hurmatli
of,
mehmonlar, bugun
freedom,
men bu yig'in
justice
qatnashmoqdan
and
parlament a'zolariga, akademiklarga,
Thank you.
ommaviy
And
tashkilot
I'm
rahbarlariga, kishilik huquq
the third
qo'g'duvchilarga,
international
muxbirlarga va
forum
barliq Uyg'ur do'stlarga
every
minnatdorligimni
existence.
bildiraman. Sizlar faqat Uyg'urlarning do'stlari emas, sizlar adolatning do'stlari, sizlar insoniyatning do'stlari. Tarix buni abadiy xotirlaydi.
Thank you,
Men yana
Mr.
tuvandikilarni bayon qilmoqchi. Biz
Now it is my
Uyg'urlar
pleasure to
hozir
invite
qorong'ulik davrini
the
boshdan
Taiwanese
kechiryapmiz.
ambassador
Ammo
to Germany,
biz
Dr.
asla taslim
Chen
bo'lmaymiz.
Wei
Bu ovozimizni
Shenggu.
yuqori darajada chiqarishga tirishimiz. Biz dunyoning har yeriga chizilib ketdik, ammo milliy birlik aqlliq
Dear
ko'rishdan voz
Mr.
kechmaydi.
President Alvando, Vice President Arkin, and of course, former President Isa, and my dear
Qadrli
friends,
mehmonlar,
of course,
qadrli
my
reis,
very
hurmatli
respected
reis,
honorable
Turg'unjon Aloviddin
Ambassador,
apandi,
our Ambassador in
muavin reis
Brussels,
Zumratay xonim,
Professor Dr. Xie.
sobiq reis Do'qin
It
Esa
is
apandi,
indeed both an honor
Tayvanningki
and a
Germaniya
pleasure
turishliq burunqi va
to join you
elchisi
today
hurmatli Shiji
at
Wei
this
apandi va
event.
qadrli do'stlar.
My
Bugun
name is Gu,
bu faoliyatga
not
qatnashib
Gu.
sizlar bilan birga bo'lish
However, I
uchun
do
men
believe
uchun
today we will
hem
have
zo'r
very
sharaf,
good
hem
IUF.
cho'ng xushalliqdir. Shuning bilan birga bu muhim faoliyatni
I would also
o'rishtirganligini
like to sincerely
va
thank
erkinlik, kishilar huquq va demokratiya ko'ngil bo'lgan nurg'un kishilarni bir yerga jam qilganliklaringlar uchun Dunyo Uyg'ur qurultiyiga chin
for
ko'nglimdan rahmat
organizing
aytaman.
this important event and for bringing together so many people who care about freedom, human rights, and democracy. We live in turbulent
Shuning bilan
times.
birga men bu
The
faoliyatni
common values,
uyushtirganligi ve erkinlik,
human rights,
kişilik hukuk ve demokratiya
democracy,
көңіл
and of
болдыған
course,
нұрғын
human
кішілерні бірге жам
dignity
қылғалық үшін дүния
are
құтылды.
undergoing
Біз бүгін
pressure
давалығы үш толған бір дәуірде
worldwide.
yaşayatımız.
China has
Erkinlik,
violated
kişilik hukuk,
fundamental human rights in East Turkestan, Tibet,
ve insani kadir
Hong
kıymet
Kong,
katarlık ortak
and
kıymet karışla
continues to threaten
dünyanın her kaysı caylarında bağın sıra iğir xavipke
by Taiwan
düşkenmekte.
and other democratic
Xitay,
societies.
Şarkı Türkistan,
That
Tibet
is
ve
why today
Şangang'da,
we
yani
gather
Hong Kong'da
here to stand
en
in
asas
solidarity
kişilik hak hukuklarını
with
defterinde
our
kavatıdı.
Uyghur friends
Hem de bugün mü
and
Tayvan ve başka
defend
demokratik
the
cemiyetler
common
mehman bolup
values
atkan erkinliklerge
that
tehdit
united
silişini
us
davamlaştırmakta.
together. Together we are stronger. As authoritarian
Şunu biz bugün bu yekcem
deepen
bulduk.
their
Uygur
cooperation,
dostlarımız bilen bir sep tuturuş
democracies
ve
and
bizni
the like-minded
birleştiriş üçün
partners must
tuğan,
stand
birleştirip tuğan
together
bu ortak
and
kıymet
put
karşılarını
our
qodaş üçün bir
shared
yer turvatımız.
values, common
Birlikte
values
bolsak biz teximo
into
küçüğümüz.
action.
Mustabit tüzümde
Coming from
özara
Taiwan,
emkarlıkını
I
çoğunlaştırılan
know
behitte
that freedom
demokratik
is
devletler
never free,
ve okşaş
It must
kıymet
be
karşı ege emrahlamı
protected and
bir sep tuturup
defended.
ortak kıymet
Taiwan is a
karşılarımızı
vibrant,
emniyetke aylandırışımız gerek.
leading and well-functional democracy
Ben Tayvan'dan kelgen boğaçka
according to
erkinliknin
EIU,
ergüz
Economic
dikah kemeğalık
Intelligence Union
yaxşı
Worldwide
bilimi.
Democracy Index. Taiwan
Onu qoğdaş ve
ranked
himaye kılış
over
gerek.
number 12.
Tayvan
Germany,
hayatı küçük tolgan
Germany is also not
aldın
bad.
Katardaki ve mükemmel işlev
Germany
hakkın bir
is
demokratiyadır.
ranking number 13.
Ekonomist,
Ladies and gentlemen, I have a slogan. I use
Intelligent,
this slogan
economic,
almost with our Professor
akıl-
Xie, Ambassador Xie, over 10 years.
Akılan
I said
birinin ki
always, if
demokratik
you have
köstekş
everything
asaslanganda
in
Tayvan dünya
Taiwan,
boyunca
you
13. orun
can
turdu.
enjoy
Germaniya bolsa
our very,
13.
very
orun
good
turdu.
tea. We have
Bizden
very
ortak
good
menfaatimiz
black
nayet
tea,
köp. Bolapma
green
teminleş
tea,
zinciri
oolong
sahasida.
tea, High Mountain
Tayvan
tea,
dünyadaki
bubble
ilgam
tea,
yerim ötküzgüçlerinin ki 90%'nin köpürekini, şundakla süni akıl iqtidar mülazimetinin 90%'nin köpürekini işlep çıkırdı. Tayvan dünyadaki en
and your
mükemmel teminleş zinciriga ega.
hospitality. However, the best tea in Taiwan is our
Keyinki avlat süni
democratic
akıl
tea.
iqtidar süpüsü bolgan Vera Rubin Tayvan'daki güzellik teşkilatındaki
We
şirketninki
share
hemkarlık
common
arkalık iş
interest,
açtı.
especially
Buların içinde
when it comes
Foxconn,
to supply
UMC,
chains.
TCMC ve
Taiwan product over
KYEC katarlık dağınık
90%
karxanlama var.
advanced semiconductor. Taiwan produce over 90% AI server. Today, if you without Taiwan and you cannot
Tayvan
talk
dünyadaki
about AI,
yerim ötküzgüçlerinin
you know, the
90%'nin
next
köpürekini
generation of AI platform,
işlep çıkırdı.
the name is so-called Nera Altin. That is produced by or made by Taiwan totally
Bununsuz bütün
150
dünyadaki süni akılın terakkiyatını mölçerleş mümkün emas.
including TSMC,
Tayvan,
UMC,
Bu sahada dünyadaki en mükemmel teminleş
KYEC,
zinciriga
and
ega.
of course, last but not least, there's also
Keyinki avlat,
we call
süni
very,
akıl
very
iqtidar
famous,
süpüsü bolgan
you know
Vera
that,
Rubin Tayvan'daki
Foxconn, etc. So it is no
Güzellik şirketinin
surprise
hemkarlığı
that
arkalık
Taiwan stands
işga açtı.
for, again, TAIWAN. You know why? Because I said T, top. AI, of course, AI. W, wonderful. A, attractive. N, nation. That is Taiwan. Ladies and gentlemen, we now confront a so-called common threat. I deeply, deeply admire the courage and resilience of our Uyghurs
Şoňa
community.
Tayvan namininki muvaffaqiyat we sübetninki simol boluşy ejeplenlik emas. Hanımlar we efendiler,
Common value.
bugün biz
In the face
ortak bir
of this
tehditke duç
challenge,
kelmektimiz.
your determination inspire all of us. In that spirit,
Men
I
Uygur
would like to say
cemaatçilikininki, Uygurlarninki jasareti we qaysarligiga
also stand for
şundakla şundak bir iğir sınak Mushta ig'ir vaziyat oldida turibmi o'zininki qimmat qarashini, o'zininki jasoratini, o'zininki davosiga bo'lgan kuch chiqarishni to'xtab tuqolmaganligidan nihoyat ta'sirliman va buningga nihoyat cho'ng hurmat bildiraman. Sizlarning qat'iy irodanglar hammamizga ilhom berdi. Mushu ruhda kurashinglarni davomlashtirishinglarni umid qilaman.
Now I would like to invite someone who is very brave, fighting on the front lines. She's a Ukrainian lawyer and also a Nobel Peace Prize laureate. We would like to have Alexandra Matvichuk join by video from Ukraine.
Thank you very much for providing me a floor. I'm a human rights lawyer. I'm documenting war crimes in this war that Russia has launched against Ukraine for 12 years. And while this war turns people into the numbers, what we are literally doing, we are returning people their names. Because people are not numbers, and life of each person matters. It's an honor for me to address to this distinguished audience and unique opportunity to express my solidarity with Uyghur people. I have a huge respect to your work and admire your fight. We have a lot in common. We both face a situation when the law doesn't work. Being a professional human rights lawyer, I have no tools how to stop atrocities against my people. Also, we both faced with enormous opposing power, and that is why even our international partners sometimes tell us that our fight have no sense. But we both know that despite everything, we must continue our fight honestly, even when we have no other tools, just our own words and our own position. Eventually, it's not so little. And while authoritarian regimes support each other, like Russia and China cooperate with each other, people who fighting for freedom and for human dignity must support each other even stronger. I would like to share 3 lessons learned from our Ukrainian fight. I hope it will be useful. First, I don't know how historians in future will call this historical period, but the world order based on UN Charter and international law has collapsed. This system was created after the Second World War to prevent wars and mass violence, but now just stalling and reproducing ritualistic movements. Unfortunately, it's easy to predict that such fires like wars and mass violence can emerge more and more often in different parts of the globe because international wiring is faulty and sparks are everywhere. And it's not a chaos. It's time for us to defend our values. We must defend freedom and democracy. We must continue our fight for human dignity. Only readiness to defend our values defines a society that has a future. Second, these dramatic times test all of us for true leadership, true courage, true responsibility. We get used to thinking through the categories of states and interstate organizations, but ordinary people have a much greater impact than they can even imagine. Ordinary people can create history. And that is why I'm looking in future with optimism. I still don't see that it will be easy, but I know that ordinary people can do extraordinary things, and Ukrainians and Uyghur people are bright example. And last, I'm here to say that despite everything, Our struggle in these dramatic times of our history, it's a life-affirming story. Because dramatic times raise hope. Because when freedom is denied, it's become to powerfully break out through the every concrete individuals. And our future is not just unclear, our future, it's also not pre-written. This means that we still have a chance to fight for future, which we want for ourselves and for our own children. And hope, it's not a confidence that everything will be fine. Hope, it's a deep understanding that all our efforts have a huge meaning. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Alexandra, for joining us live from Ukraine. We are so happy to have you. And those are excellent lessons. Now it is my pleasure to welcome Senator Yuri Oberfalzer, who is also the Vice President of the Czech Senate, to the stage with his translator.
The situation of ethnic and religious minorities in China is not improving. And
Xitoydagi
excuse me?
milliy
Is it okay? Hopefully. It appears that PRC has no intention of improving it. Judging by the law on promoting ethnic unity and progress, which was adopted in March this year and will take effect on July 1st, China is not interested in ethnic or other forms of civic diversity. The law aims to strengthen community
Bu
of
yıl
the Chinese
mart
nation
ayida
and
ma'qullangan
promote
va
unity among
1-yildan
ethnic
boshlab
groups.
yo'l qo'yilgan
The provision
Millatlar
on
İttifaqlığı
equal
ve
access to
Taraqqiyotni ilgari surish
education,
qonuniga qaraganda
infrastructure and,
Xitoy
public services
milliy
actually masks
va yoki
the
boshqa
promotion
shakldagi
of a single language for education and official communication. It certainly doesn't involve
bu yil mart
supporting
ayida ma'qullangan va 1-iyuldan boshlab yo'l qo'yilgan Millatlar İttifaqlığı va Taraqqiyotni ilgari surish qonuniga qaraganda Xitoy milliy va yoki boshqa kimlikka qiziq bo'lish kimlikni qo'llamaydi. Bu qonun atalmış Cunhua millati o'rtaq gavdasi yangisini kuchaytirish va har qaysi millatlar orasida ittifoqlikni ilgari surishni maqsad qilgan. Qonundagi ma'rif ul aslaha va ommaviy mulozimatlardan mulozimatlardan barobar bahramand bo'lish to'g'risidagi belgilanma amaliyotda yakka bir tilning, ya'ni Xitoy tilininki bilan ilipilgan ma'rif va rasmiy aloqa muomaladagi o'rnini üstün tutishni, üstünleştirishni, kuchaytirishni maqsad qilgan. Bu albatta asonliq millatlarningki madaniyat an'analari va ularningki tilini qo'llanishni o'z ichiga olmaydi. Asonliq millatlar rayonidagi iqtisodiy taraqqiyotni qo'llash to'g'risidagi belgilanmalarni mavjud rayonlar avtonomiya va o'zini boshqarish shaklidagi kelajakda qo'yilishi mumkin bo'lgan cheklimlarning bishart deb qarashga bo'ldi. Bölgünçülük, terörlük ve dini aşkınlık karşı turuşqa dair belgelimler bolsa, milli kimlik yanını küçeytiş yoki ecdatlarning an'anaviy diniy e'tiqodiga ait tarbiya tashviqot faoliyatlarini jinoyatlashtirishninki quroliga aylanishi mumkin. Bu qonun Orwellcha tilninki tipik bir misolidir. Ya'ni haqiqat, ya'ni haqiqiy maqsadlar dal uning aksicha bo'lgan so'zlar orqali ifodalandi. Kommunist Xitoy hukumati butunlay Xitoychilashtirish va hammalarni yakka markazlashgan bir ideologiyaga bo'ysundirishdan boshqa hech narsani xohlamaydi. Bu yerda
demagoguery and lies. So let's fight against it.
Bu yerda bir Xitoy siyosati yangi bir ma'noga ega bo'lib, bir xalq hukumiga aylandi. Men G'arb dunyosiniki Xitoyning mushundoq bir dunyo tasavvuri borligini va buning pat yaqinda butkul bu xalqaro jamiyat ta'sir ko'rsatish mumkinligi tushunish haqida texim tushunish uchun yana qancha vaqt ketganligini bilmayman. Agar demokratik dunyo Xitoy bilan iqtisodiy hamkorlikni kishilik huquqqa hurmat qilish bilan shartlab bog'lamasa, uzun
About 9 million French-speaking people in the whole of North America. Most of the rest are English-speaking, and a few millions of Spanish-speaking, of course, and there's the whole of Mexico. So most of the time, I refuse to speak in any other language than my only national language, which is French. But for my friends here today, which I salute, I will do it. I think it will make things a little less complicated, and it's a pleasure to be of help. Salutations to
mutlaq
my
qism
friends,
vaqtlarda men
because we've been
o'zimning tilimdan boshqa
trying to be helpful.
mustamlaka tilda qaralgan ingliz tilida
Some of
gapirishni
you,
xohlamatdim.
when I see faces, and an old friend from Catalonia a few years ago, and our friend Mr. Baxendale, we meet over and again. And then, either we like it or not, we become friends. And it's an honor to be with you. The Bloc Québécois is a party that represents
Sözümni sizlarga tonish bir ahvolni bayon qilish bilan boshlayman. Shimoliy Amerikada taxminan 9 millionga yaqin fransuz so'zlaydigan kishi bor. Qolganlarning ko'pinchisi ingliz so'zlaydi. Albatta, yana bir qancha million ispancha so'zlaydiganlar bor. Bo'libmi Meksika butunlay ispancha so'zlaydigan bir davlat.
with you. Because Chinese
Shunga
intimidation
men
cannot
odatda
touch us.
o'zimniki
We know very
bir
well that
milli
Chinese
tilim bo'lgan
are
fransuzdan boshqa
invading
tilda
our which we
so'zlashni
have
xohlamayman.
separate from Chinese
Biroq
people.
bugun bu yerda
Do not
Uyg'ur
like
do'stlarim
very much
uchun
my friend
ularga hurmat,
Alexei
cho'nqur
and
hurmat
I,
salom yo'llab,
because we
buningdan
speak
mustasno
in a G7
bo'lishni qaror
country
qildim. Meningcha
about
bu ishlarni sal osonlashtirdi. Ham sizlarga
two
yaqindan
nations
yordam qila olganligimdan nihoyatda xursandman.
who deserve self-determination and freedom. Alexei is, like many of you, one of those
To'lqin Esa apandimga salom
Really
va
rose
hurmatlarimni
through peace.
bildiraman. Uzun yillardan buyon
fighting a fight
biz
of which we do
bir-birimizga
not see the
tanishib,
end
hamkorlashib,
from this point of
qo'llab
view.
kelyapmiz.
But
Bir necha yil
that
ilgari
we keep
Kataloniyada
fighting with
tanishgandik.
you because you guys
Shuningdan
are
buyon
so extraordinary and
bir
brave
qancha qitimlar uchrashdik
and
va vaqt
inspiring.
o'tgan sari
and
do'stlarim,
very
yaqin
few
do'stlarim bo'lib
people
qoldik. Bugun
on this planet
sizlar bilan
suffer
birga
as
bo'lish
much
men uchun zo'r sharafdir.
as people in
Men
East
vakillik
Pakistan.
qilayotgan partiya Kanadadagi Quebec xalqining manfaatiga vakillik qildi. Biz fransuz tili va madaniyatini
Having
qo'llash
this
uchun kurash qilamiz. Shunga
opportunity to do
o'z
politics and
kimligi,
be friends
tili va
with you
madaniyatimizni qo'llash
without
da hissiyotimiz Uyg'ur
Xi
xalqi bilan
Jinping's
o'xshash.
intimidation comes with a responsibility. There exists such a thing as virtue. There exists such a thing as values. There exists such a thing as beliefs and commitment and principles. We have to stand up to it. If
Bizning tilimiz,
Any
madaniyatimiz va kimligimizni qo'llash
G7
uchun qilgan kurashimiz Uyg'ur xalqining o'z tili, madaniyati va milliy kimligini saqlab qolish yo'lida
to do it.
ko'rishni texmi yaxshi tushunishimizga
we will
yordam
be
berdi.
told
Shunga
to see the
bugun
big
sizlar bilan
picture
birga bo'lganligim uchun
for the best
nihoyat
interest
xursandman va bu uchun
of
to'liq
Canada
muhim.
or France
Men
or
sizlarning qat'iy irodanglarga,
Germany and
jasoratinglarga va
not
taslim
be
bo'lmas
bold
ro'yinglarga cho'nqur hurmat
fighting
bildiraman. Sizlarningki
this fight. We will be
bundaq
told
qiyin
to be
sharoitda
patient.
davomli kurash
We will be
qilayotganliginglarga
told that the
qilayotganliklaringlar
channels of
haqiqatan
diplomacy
menga
are
ilhom berdi.
working. If they can get something to show,
Va meningcha
this
nurg'unlarga o'xshash menmo bu
we meant
kurashni
to be more patient.
yerlik yoki rayonlik bir
Fine.
masala deb qarmayman.
But
Bu
do
biz
they show
hammamizga
enough?
munosabatli bo'lgan bir kurash. Shu sababdan
Is
men
it
buna
shown?
umid
Is
var.
it successful
Mening
in a
umidvorliqim
sufficient
vaziyat
measure?
oson bo'lganlik uchun emas.
I do
Aksicha
not know your answer, but
sizlarningki
mine is
namoyon
no,
qilayotgan
it is not
favqulodda jasoratinglar, qaysarlikinglar va
So, either it
irodanglar
is in
sababidandir.
And I hope it is
Sizlar
not
bizga umid bag'ishlaysizlar. Biroq
Or
umid bilan birga
a way to
mas'uliyatmi
protect
keladi.
private
Agar
and
biz
financial
erkinlikka, adolatga va insoniy qadr-qimmatga ishonsak,
we have been
undaqda bu
trying to collaborate
qimmat
with
qarashlarni
many
qo'llash
people
uchun harakat qilish
who do not
majburiyatimiz bor.
enjoy self-determination. There are those we know because are closer, like Scotland or Catalonia, but there are those who have as a common foe the communist China, and those friends are Taiwan, Tibet, and of course East Turkestan, Hong Kong. So here together, let's try to be a mirror into which
Ondan boshqa fazilat deb
Free
atalgan
nations
bir narsami
will
bor.
see
Qimmat qarashlar deb
what their
atalgan
own
narsalar bor.
conscience
E'tiqod,
requires.
sodiqlik va
Let's do it together.
prinsiplar deb atalgan narsalar bor. Biz bularni qo'llash uchun o'rnimizdan turishimiz kerak. Biz qimmat qarashlarni faqat so'zlabda qolmay, amaliy harakatimiz bilan
Merci
namoyon
d'avoir
qilishimiz
accepté de
kerak.
parler,
Chunki
en anglais.
adolat,
Thank you for
erkinlik
accepting
va
to speak
insoniy
in
qadr-qimmat
English today.
o'zligidan qo'dilib qolmaydi. Ularni qo'llash
Next, we have a very special video from a great ally of ours, Mr. Damon Wilson, who's the president and CEO of the National Endowment for Democracy.
Dear friends, it's an honor to speak at this year's International Uyghur Forum. I only wish I could be with you in person. For years, the people in this room have been a source of inspiration to all of us at the National Endowment for Democracy. The Chinese Communist Party works hard to convince people at home and abroad that its victory is inevitable. That brutality like mass Uyghur oppression is proof of their strength, and that resistance is pointless. But you've shown that all of that is a facade. The regime has thrown everything it has at you, and against all odds and despite great personal risk, you are documenting the truth, keeping Uyghur culture alive, building coalitions across regions and communities, and ensuring that the world cannot look away. Thanks to your tireless work, many countries now acknowledge the CCP's crime as genocide. A decade after the camps began, you're finding new ways to defend your people and culture. It's been encouraging to see Uyghur partners reaching new audiences in the Chinese democracy community, in Muslim-majority countries, and even Latin America. You're building solidarity across borders and finding new ways to get information in and out of East Turkestan, enabling a new generation of Uyghurs to push for freedom. None of this is easy to accomplish, but please know that NED remains committed to this work. We've supported the Uyghur struggle for freedom for more than 20 years and continue to stand with you today. Thank you for your continued partnership. Thank you for your resilience and dedication to freedom. I hope this forum strengthens the strategies and resolve needed for the road ahead. NED is proud to support your efforts.
Thank you. We now have another video support from someone who is a great ally but who couldn't make it here today, from Congressman Tom Suozzi from the US.
Greetings to all my friends in the World Uyghur Congress. Thank you so much for the great work that you're doing to fight for the rights of the Uyghurs in the Xinjiang region. Right now, the Chinese Communist Party is abusing people for a crime, I put that in quotes, of being Muslims. So let's continue to educate the world about these atrocities that are taking place and do everything we can to fight for the human rights campaign for the Uyghurs that are in the Xinjiang region. Thank you so much, Rahmet, to everyone there. Keep on fighting. I stand with you 100%.
Thank you. And now I would like to invite a very special friend from France, a member of parliament at the Assemblée nationale, Mr. Olivier Faure, to come on stage.
but I will speak in French. Pour une raison simple, c'est que précisément, en fait, je pense que ce que nous disons ici doit être entendu dans toutes les langues du monde.
It is for a very specific reason. It's because what we are saying today here must be said in all languages around the world.
Il y a quelques jours, l'ambassade de Chine en France m'a fait passer le message qu'il serait de bon ton que je ne vienne pas à votre rencontre.
A few days ago, the Chinese embassy in France made it very clear that it would be better for me if I didn't show up here.
C'est la raison pour laquelle je suis venu.
This is exactly why I came.
Il y a 4 ans, j'ai fait voter au Parlement français une résolution reconnaissant le génocide du peuple ouïghour.
4 years ago, I pushed for the recognition of the Uyghur genocide in the French parliament.
Mais ce que je vois aujourd'hui, c'est que, à travers les tumultes du monde, à travers les drames qui le traversent, la cause ouïghour finit par sensiblement s'effacer.
Unfortunately, what I've come to realize is that over the last few years, because of various conflicts around the world, the Uyghur issue has become erased.
Et ce que nous devons dire, c'est que la cause ouïghour n'est pas simplement la cause des Ouïghours, elle est la cause du monde. Elle est la cause de celles et ceux qui défendent des droits
Men
qui
bugün
sont
bir yerde
universels.
buluş sizler bilen bilib borishman uchun favqulodda sharaf. Men fransuz so'zlayman. Bunun nihoyatda alohida bir sababi bor. Chunki biz bugun bu yerda aytilayotgan so'zlar dunyodagi barliq tillarda anglanishi kerak. Cümleden fransuzda anlaşı kerak. Bizniki uçurum, bizniki Uyg'urlarning dardlari faqat bir xalqqa yoki bir davlat bilan bilsa bo'ladigan ish emas. Uni butkul insoniyat bilishi kerak. Bu butun insoniyatningki dardi bo'lishi kerak. Shuningdek, men bu haqiqatlarni boshqa tillarda anglatish fursatiga ega bo'lish uchun men shu fransuzcha qilishni tanladim.
If you defend Ukrainians, you have to defend Uyghurs. If you defend Palestinians, you have to defend.
Bir necha kun ilgari Xitoyningki Fransiyadagi elchisi menga nihoyatda aniq qilib shuni bildirdi. Agar men bu yig'inga qatnashmasam, men uchun bu ish yaxshi emish. Dal mushtu sababdan men bu yerga keldim. Chunki hech qanday besim yoki qo'rqitish bizni haqiqatni so'zlashga to'sib qololmaydi. 4 yil ilgari Fransiya parlamenti Uyg'ur irqiy qirg'inchiligini e'tirof qilgan qarorni ma'qulladi. Men Fransiya parlamentida Uyg'ur irqiy qirg'inchiligining e'tirof qilinishi uchun kuch chiqardim va bu ishni ilgari surdim. Buni men faqat Uyg'ur xalqi bilan jamoat bilan bo'lib bo'lganligim uchun emas, balki adolat va insoniy qiymat qarashlarini qo'g'dash mas'uliyatim bo'lganligini his qilganligim uchun qildim.
D'oublier ce que sont les droits fondamentaux sur lesquels nous ne pouvons pas revenir. Et un pays comme la France, qui est à l'origine d'une grande révolution, qui a apporté au monde
Afsuski,
entier
o'tgan bir qancha yil ichida dunyo qarshisida yuz bergan turli to'qinishlar va krizlar sababidan men bir ishni cho'nqir his qildim. Uyg'ur masalasi bayqancha nazardan chetga qayotdi. U burunqidek xalqaro diqqatni tatolmayotdi. Biroq bu Uyg'ur xalqi duch kelayotgan oziq-ovqatlarning azayganligidan darak bermaydi. Aksicha, biz bu masalani davomli kun tartibida saqlab, dunyoning uni unutilib qolmaslik uchun texmi ko'p tirishchilik qilishimiz kerak.
Nobody should legitimize this horror. France is a country that introduced revolution to the world and also was a leading actor to defend human rights and democracy.
Puisque je parlais de marché, il faut vérifier jour après jour qu'il n'y a plus aucune industrie, aucune entreprise qui vend ici, dans le textile notamment, des produits qui sont issus du travail forcé des Ouïghours. Nous devons faire pression sur toutes les enseignes qui continuent à utiliser ce travail. En France, nous traquons aujourd'hui en auditionnant entreprises pour essayer de comprendre celles qui
butun adolatni qo'g'dishimiz kerak.
que nous ne pouvons pas accepter
Agar
d'acheter moins cher
Ukrainani qo'llasak, Uyg'urlarni qo'llashimiz kerak. Agar Falastin xalqining huquqlarini qo'g'dasak, boshqa zulmga uchrayotgan xalqlarning huquqini qo'g'dashimiz kerak.
Because I mentioned the market, I want to tell you that we cannot
İnsani
accept
huquq
forced
va
labor and
erkinlik
slavery.
bilinmeydigan qimmat qarashidir. Ularni hamma yerda, hamma odam uchun o'xshash o'lcham bilan qo'llash kerak. Fransiya tarixdan buyon erkinlik, barobarlik va qarindoshlik qimmat qarashlarini dunyoga tarqatgan bir davlat bo'lib keldi. Shuningdek, Fransiya kishilik huquq va demokratiyani qo'llash yo'lida muhim ovozlarning biri bo'lib kelmoqda. Biz bu qimmat qarashlarimizni qo'llash va ular uchun harakat qilish mas'uliyatimizni davomlashtirishimiz kerak.
De vos pères, de vos frères, de vos sœurs, de vos enfants, de celles et ceux qui vous manquent et dont vous n'avez aucune nouvelle.
And I want to make sure that you remember that you're not alone in this fight. That we're going to stand by you until you reunite with your family members, with your brothers and sisters and all your loved ones.
Et ce que je crois aussi, c'est qu'il n'y a aucun peuple qui n'ait été vaincu dans l'histoire du monde tant que son identité était maintenue.
Fransiya tarixda erkinlik, barobarlik va qarindoshlik qimmat qarashlarini dunyoga
Et je crois que
dunyoga tarqatgan davlatlarning biri. Shuning bilan birga vaqtda u kishilik huquq, demokratiyani qo'llaydigan muhim rol o'ynayotmoqda. Bugun biz bu yerda yana bir qitim shu qimmat qarashlarni eslash uchun jam bo'ldik. Bizning vazifamiz faqat zulmni ayblashlar emas. Bizning vazifamiz adolatni qo'llash, haqiqatni qo'llash va zulmga uchragan xalqlar bilan bir saf turishdir. Men shuni aniq aytmoqchi, biz Uyg'ur xalqini unutilib qolmaymiz. Biz sizlarning ko'rishinglarni unutilib qolmaymiz. Biz sizlarning da'voyinglarningki haqiqatga yetishimiz va bu yo'lda sizlar bilan birga davomli turishga irodamiz bor.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. This was a little bit of improvisation, so thank you for bearing with me. Now it is my pleasure to welcome another great ally and friend to the Uyghurs. So it is my immense pleasure to welcome Prime Minister Pempa Tsering, who's the Prime Minister of the Central Tibetan Administration, to the stage.
Növbətdə Tibet sürgündəki
But then I'll have to translate for myself. So better stick to English. That's one language, international language I know. So pardon me. I think Uyghurs and Tibetans, we have come a long way together. Erkin, Aptikan, Lodi Jari.
Aslında men Tibetçe qilay degandim, chunki Tibetlarga Uyg'urlarning dardini anglatish kerak edi. Ammo bu yerdagi yig'inda yanalam ko'pchilikniki inglizini tushunadigan bo'lganligi uchun bu yerda yanalam ingliz so'zlay.
This morning from Zurich to Berlin, we just finished our election in exile. In fact, Tibetans are the only exiled community with a fully functional democratic polity, with parliament, with cabinet, Supreme Justice Commission, Election Commission, Public Service Commission, Auditor General's Office, and 7 departments. My former Sikyong is also here, Lobsang. So he was my predecessor for 10
Bu dünyada bir dünyavi, bir xalqaravi bir til var.
I got re-elected for a second term and we just formed a new cabinet.
İngilizce aşağıda qarıldı. Şolaşqa men sizlardan yapı sorayman degan İngilizce gapilay. Menimcha Uyg'urlar bilan Tibetlar birlikda qo'l-qo'lni tutib uzun yo'lni besib o'tdik. Biz nurg'un mushaqqatlarni boshdan kechirdik. Va bizning hamkorlashimiz izchil davom etib keldi va kelmoqda.
Not the way we are doing right now. Tibetans are doing their own thing, Uyghurs are doing their own thing, Mongols are doing their own thing, Hong Kongers are new to this situation. They are not well organized.
Ha, bugün bu yerda bo'lganligimdan intayin xurshalman. Bugun atdigan men bevosita Berlinga yetib keldim. Biz yaqinda surgundagi saylovimizni muvaffaqiyat tamomladik. Amaliyotda Tibetlar surgundagi jamoatlar ichida to'liq ishlaydigan demokratik siyosiy tuzumga ega bo'lgan asonliq xalqlarniki biridir. Bizning parlamentimiz bor, hukumatimiz va kabinetimiz bor, Oliy Adliya komitemiz bor, saylov komitemiz bor, ommaviy xizmat komitetlarimiz bor, miros va madaniyat ishlarimizni boshqaradigan xizmat o'rinlarimiz bor. Shundaqla 7 tarmoqdan tarakkib topgan ma'muriy organlarimiz bor.
I'm very happy that we have a lot of our friends, Uyghur friends, Tibetan friends, all the way from Canada.
Mening oldingi mezgildagi Tibet mening oldimdagi bosh minister Lobsang Sangay efendim mishadi bor. Men u mendan burun 2 navbatlik Tibet surgundagi hukumatninki bosh ministerlik vazifasini o'tagan. Surgundagi Tibet hukumatiga rahbarlik qilgan. Biz Tibetliklar, Uyg'urlar va boshqa zulmga uchragan xalqlar o'zaro texmo yaqin hamkorlashishni orzu qilamiz. Chunki biz o'xshash xristianlarga duch kelyapmiz. Ba'zi xalqlar o'z oldiga kurash qilmoqda. Masalan, Mongollar o'z yo'lida harakat qilmoqda. Hong Kongliklar bu vaziyatga bunda biz yo'l qo'ygan qiyinchiliklarga yaqindan duch kelayotgan bo'lg'achqa ular to'liq tashkillanib bo'lolmadi. Biroq biz shuni tushunishimiz kerakki, har birimiz ayrim ekanqanda kuchimiz cheklik bo'ladi. Shunglashqa biz birlashib harakat qilishimiz, bir-birimizni qo'llashimiz va o'rtaq qimmat qarashlarimizni birlikda qo'llashimiz kerak.
That defines your way of life, and of course extracting natural resources from Uyghur, Tibet, and Inner Mongolia, and that is also the reason why China has a lot of rare earth, because the sources come from there, and they don't mind polluting.
Bizning hukumatimizdagi har bir tarmoqningki o'ziga xos vazifasi va mas'uliyati bor. Ularningki hammasi o'z sohalarida xizmat qiladi. Xalqimizningki manfaati uchun to'p qo'shmoqda. Har bir organ va har bir shaxs o'rtaq nishon uchun o'zining bir kishilik rolini o'ynayotdi va joriy qildiryotdi.
China's renewable energy, the solar energy and hydro electricity that China is producing, because China is now building the biggest ever dam on this earth, on the Brahmaputra.
Kanadadan bu vakillar keldi. Bugün bu yerda Tibet jamoatninki bir qancha muhim rahbarlarimiz bor. Ularning ichida bayamda o'tgandagidek Tibetninki sobiq bosh ministri Lobsang Sangay efendim uzun yillardan buyon Tibet xalqininki huquqlari va erkinlik uchun xizmat qilib kelmoqda. Biz ularning to'pisini yuqori baho beramiz. Buning bilan bir vaqtda Tibetninki tabiiy boyliqlar masalasi intayin muhim. Xitoy, Tibet va Janubiy Mongoliya qatorliq rayonlardagi mo'l tabiiy boyliq manbalaridan keng ko'lamda foydalanyapti. Buning ichida qon boyliqlari va strategik xom materiallar bor. Xitoyninki nodir topa sohasida kuchli o'ringa ega bo'lishningki muhim sabablarining biri naq shu boyliqlar sababidan bo'lyapti.
Today China is not talking about governance of China alone. China is talking about global initiatives, whether it's governance or civilization or culture. So they are not going to restrict all that within China. They are already exporting the tools of control and surveillance that even Silicon Valley have been helping China with. So they are exporting.
Bu boyliqlarningki ko'p qismi Tibet va Mongol rayonlaridan keladi. Afsuski bu joydagi muhit bulg'anishiga yetarlik ahamiyat berilmayotdi. Xitoy hukumati iqtisodiy va strategik manfaatlarni oldin qo'yib, ekologik tangpunlikqa
under the
ziya yetkizishdan
circumstances now.
iç endişe
But
qilmayotidi,
let us not be,
yanmayotidi.
again,
Şunun bilan
very
birli vaqtda
discouraged by all these
su energiya
developments, because
sohasida
China is
Xitoylar
developing,
nihoyat
China
zo'r
is
qurilishlarni yo'l
powerful,
qo'ydi.
but China also has a lot of chinks in its armor. And we are watching the situation. So when the right time comes, I think Uyghurs,
Hozir
Mongols,
Xitoy
Taiwanese,
Tibetdagi
Tibetans,
Brahmaputra
Hong Kongers,
daryosi
we
ustidagi
will have to
dunyodagi
look
eng
for
cho'ng suv
opportunities and
to'smalarining
challenges.
birini
And that cannot
qurish
happen by just
planini
having meetings.
ijro
We
qilmoqda.
need more strategic
Bu qurilishda
commitment, strategic
bu
coordination
qurilishninki muhitqa
to see how we can move
daryo
forward.
vodiridagi xalqlarninki turmushiga va rayonninki ekologiyalik
And I wish,
bexatarlikka ko'rsatgan ta'siri
Uyghur Forum
xalqaroda zo'r
very
andishlarni o'tirib qo'ymoqda.
successful meeting with a lot of teeth to bite, not just talk. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And now we have a video from Carles Puigdemont, who's the president of Catalonia in exile.
Dear friends, as President of Catalonia in exile, I would like to extend my warm greetings to everyone participating in the Third International Uyghur Forum in Berlin. 10 years after the onset of the mass detention campaign against the Uyghur people, repression has not ceased. We continue to witness grave human rights abuses, the destruction of cultural and religious identity, the separation of families, and the systematic persecution of the entire Uyghur nation by the Chinese regime. Its allies, including Spain and other European countries, also bear responsibility and risk complicity in these grave injustice and crimes against humanity. I wish to express my deep support and solidarity with the Uyghur people and with all those who courageously continue to work for truth, justice, and human dignity as represented by the World Uyghur Congress. The International Forum sends a vital message. Recognition alone is not enough. There must also be accountability. I extend to you all my friendship as well as the solidarity of a majority of Catalans. I sincerely hope that the forum will be a great success. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We have another video of someone who could not be here but sends her warmest greetings. Dr. Catarina Lantos Siwit, who is the former chair of the U.S. Commission on International Religious Freedom.
Hello, I'm Dr. Katrina Lantos Sweat, and I want to bring my warm greetings as well as my sincere admiration to those of you gathered for the Third International Uyghur Forum. It has been 10 years since the start of the mass incarceration campaign by the Chinese government against the people of East Turkestan. And during that period of time, you have done extraordinary work in drawing attention from the world to this outrageous and tragic human rights crisis. It really is remarkable what you've done. But as you say, it is time now to move from recognition to accountability. In many ways, this situation, which has been termed a genocide by 11 nations around the world, has become even worse in the intervening 10 years. And I wish you all of the strength and wisdom that you can muster as you gather to really come up with ideas and concepts and campaigns to counter the normalization of this outrageous human rights abuse. It is anything but normal, and it must be confronted and defeated. I wish I could be with you. I send you my warmest greetings and look forward to working with you to reach out to leaders around the world to implement the ideas that come forth from this very important gathering. Thank you so much.
And now it is my immense pleasure to welcome another dear guest and friend and ally
Bu
to the
jarayonda
Uyghur people,
qiyinchiliklar
Senator
ayt ko'p
Antoine
bo'lib,
Elkün from
xalqaro
Alsace.
vaziyatlarda bo'layotgan o'zgarishlar degimi ko'p, ammo sizlarningki irodalaringizni bo'shashtirmay bu ko'rishinglarni davomlashtirishinglarni umid qilaman.
Mr. Former President, Ms. Vice President, ladies and gentlemen. It's a really great honor for me to speak here before you
Hürmetlik
today. As I did in 2024, I am deeply impressed by the determination and the courage of Uyghur people and their representatives
hürmetlik
in their
Dünya
struggle
Kurultayı
for
reisi,
fundamental rights.
hürmetlik muavin
This
reisi ve
determination
şundakla
and your courage is
Kurultayının
an
sabık reisleri,
inspiration. But it's also a responsibility
sizlerninki
for
bu yığın
parliamentarians
teklif kıldıklar üçün ve
I
bu
would
yerde
like
söz
to
koş fırsatı
thank
olganlığım üçün
the World Uyghur
toluma
Congress
fəxrlik
and
his
the
kılıman.
Uyghur Center for Democracy and Human Rights for organizing this third International Uyghur Forum here in Berlin.
2024 yılı
We must
ben
continue our work
sizler
in
bilen
face
tanışıp
of the
Uyghur
terrible
meselesini texmi
silence
yakından tanıp
that still
Uyghur halkınınki
surrounds the
özününki
Uyghur
hak hukuklarını
genocide.
qoğdaş
For years,
üçün yolda elip
NGOs
durbatkan
and international
tirişçallıklarını öz
institutions
gözüm
have
bilen
warned
kögendikin
government
naiti
about the
çeksiz
situation.
hürmetim
They
ve
work at help expose
çeksiz hürmetim qozgalgan idi.
unspeakable truths. Religious and cultural discrimination, enforced disappearances, arbitrary detention, internment camp, torture, forced labor, sexual violence, forced sterilization, birth control, and mass surveillance. That is the genocide Uyghur. In 2026, the Uyghur people continue to face severe
Ben
repression.
2024 yılıma
and the
şundaq degen,
international
bugün mu
community
Uyghur
has largely
halkınınki
failed to
ve
stop this
ularninki
violation.
vekillerininki
But
qat'iy iradesi ve
responsibility don't
cesaretidin
rest
çoğunqur
only
təsirlemen
to the
təsir.
national- to the
Bu
United
yerde
Nations.
cem bolğan hemmiňlarning
States
tiriştiwatkan
also
cesareti ve
have
qat'iyligi
obligation
hakikaten
under
takdirleşke
international
aziydi.
law.
Sizlerning
Countries
bu
with
ruhyňlar
significant
bizge ilham
economic
berdi.
and diplomatic influence have duty to act, and all countries have duty to act. So, as parliamentarian, we have a
Men
responsibility.
hizmet
When government fail to
Ben hizmet
uphold
kılgan komitede
international
bolsa ve
law,
halkara sahnede
we
bolsun
must
biz
give
Uyghur
a
halkının
voice
hukuklarını qoğdaş ve
to
adaletli
Uyghur
gösteriş üçün
people.
tirişçilik
We
gösterip
must
geldik.
give our
Bu
voice,
halkara
our voice
Uyghur
to
munbini
you
uyuşturgan barlıq
and
kişilerge
support the
minnetdarlıklarını
demands of
bildirmen.
their
Bu minber
representatives.
Uyghur halkının
We
davasını
must use
dünyaga yetkizиш
every
ve
tools available to
javobgarlik
defend
talab qilish yo'lida
fundamental rights of
nihoyat
Uyghurs.
muhim bir
First, we must
sahnadir.
adopt measures that put pressure on China to respect human rights. The European Parliament played an important role in pushing for the Euro forced labor regulation.
10 yıl
Second,
gerçi 10
we
yıl
must to
10 yıl
recognize and to
vaqt
name
ötken
these
bolsumu
crimes. Several national parliaments
Xitoy
have already
hakimiyetindeki
adopted
Uyg'urlarga ilib borayotgan
resolution.
bisimlari,
In France, we
kam
did it.
tutishleri, mecburi yo'qotib etish,
recognizing the
qonunsuz va
genocide
xohlagan tutqun qilish,
nature of
lagerlar,
the
qamash,
Committee
qiynoq,
against
azob,
the Uyghur. Third,
qiyin
we
qisloq
must
ilish,
support
jinsiy zo'ravonlik,
independent mechanisms
mecburiy
that
tug'mas
documents
qilish,
violation
tug'utni kontrol
and
qilish siyosatlari va keng
establish
ko'lamli nazorat mana bular
There can
Uyg'ur
be no
xalqi
justice
navbat ili ham duch
without
kelayotgan
truth, and
duch
there
kelayotgan
can be no truth
Xitoylarniki bisimidir.
without
2026 yiliga
And one
kelgan
day
bugun
you
kunda
will
Uyg'ur
have
xalqi yana ham
justice.
ig'ir dasturlikda va
So, in July 2025,
bostirish
a
siyosatiga duch
consortium
kelmoqda.
of journalists
Biroq biz
reported
shuni
links between
bilishimiz kerakki,
83
bu
major
jinoyatlarningki
international
javobgari
brands
surishtirilmasa bundoq
and
fojialar
forced
yana
labor
qayta
of
yuz berishi
Uyghur
mumkin.
workers
Shunga
through a
bizning
program
maqsadimiz
organized
faqat bu
by
jinoyatlarni
Chinese
xotirlashlar emas,
state.
balki
Our economy
ularningki qayta
has become addicted to
takrorlanmasligiga
forced labor.
kafolatlik qilish.
Too often, corporate responsibility disappear within complex supply chain
Bu
and corporate
jinoyatda
structure.
texnologiya korxonalarininki mo nihoyatda cho'ng
Allows company to continue
mas'uliyati
doing
bor.
business while avoiding
Ular faqat
accountability.
pul va manfaat
Yet,
uchun
under
bilan
pressure from large corporations, some people in the
cheksiz
European
qo'ymoqda.
Commission and in the French presidential
Ularning ilib
palace want to
yasab
weaken all
ijod qilgan
dismantle these
texnologiyalik
rules. By doing, they disarm the
ularning
Uyghur
ijod qilgan
cause.
texnologiyalari
We
Uyg'ur
must
xalqini
move into the opposite direction.
digital
We need
bashtirish uchun
we need stronger transparency
qo'llanmoqda.
requirement, stronger traceability rules, and stronger reporting obligation. Without transparency, due diligence become ineffective, and bans on products made with forced labor cannot be properly enforced.
Mecburi
So at
emgek
last,
monayeti
I would
Uyg'urlar
like
yo'l
to
qo'ygan
say
ig'ir bir
to
masala
you
bo'lib
that we
hisoblanadi.
stand with you And standing
Meyli
with
Fransiyada
you,
bo'lsin,
standing with
meyli
the
Avrupa
Uyghur
İttifaqı'nın baş
children
devletleri
today
bo'lsin,
is standing for
bir
humanity
qism qarxanlar
against oppression,
faqat
is
iqtisodiy
standing
manfaatlar
for
uchun
justice against
Uyg'urlarniki majburiy
arbitrariness,
masalasiga sukut
is
qilmoqda.
standing for freedom
Davlatlarniki
against
bu
fear. So you are not
majburiy
alone.
emgakka,
We stand with
Uyg'ur
you.
majburiy emgakni
Thank you.
to'xtatishga qilgan tirishchanliklari to'liq yetarsiz. Bu bizlarningki siyosiy sahnalarda ilib borishga tegishli
Now it is my pleasure to
Uyg'urlarni
welcome
haqiqiy amaliy
the Vice
qo'llaydigan
Chair of
ishlarning
Hasana
birisi bo'lib
International,
hisoblanadi.
Mr. Masoud Gulbahar on stage.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
President, Minister, governments officials,
Hürmetli parlament a'zolari,
representative
hürmetli
from the
ministerlar
society,
ve hükümet
faith communities, dear
vekilleri,
brothers and sisters, ladies
hürmetli
and
mutaxassislar
gentlemen.
ve alimlar,
It's a great honor to add this
ammiy teşkilatlar
meeting
ve dini cemaatlerinin
to represent my
vekilleri,
organization,
qarindoshlar, hanımlar ve efendiler.
Islamic Community of Milli Görüş,
Yevropadagi eng cho'ng
ICMG,
musulmon
one
ommaviy
of
tashkilotining biri
largest
bo'lgan
organization
Germaniya,
with Muslim society
Gollandiya,
members
Belgiya, Avstriya ve Yevropadagi
around
boshqa
the
nurg'un
European
davlatlarda
countries
yuz minglagan
with our
musulmonlarga
members.
vakillik qilgan
I bring their praise
islom
to you.
jamiyati Milliy Ko'rish
So we
nomidan
gather here in
bu
Berlin
muhim yig'inga
in the
xitob
heart
qilish
of
men uchun zo'r
democratic
sharafdir.
Europe
Biz bugun
that
Berlinda
was built after
azob oqibatlarni
suffering
boshdan kechirgandan keyin
on the firm
dunyoda
conviction
hech
that
qanday
never
yana
again would word
sistemalik
stand
zulm oldida sukut
in the
turmaslik
face
kerak
of systematic
degan qat'iy
oppression.
e'tiqod ustiga qurilgan demokratik
conviction
Yevropaninki markaziga
is our heart
jam bo'ldik. Bu
inheritance.
e'tiqod
It is
bizning
also our
o'rtaq
shared
mirosimizdir.
responsibility. A lot of credible documentation
Shundaqla bizning o'rtaq mas'uliyatimizdir. 2017 yili
institutions
Uyg'ur avtonom rayonida yuz
of that
berayotgan
what is
ishlar to'g'risidagi ishonchli dalillar tunji qitim xalqaro
and East
organlarga
Turkestan.
yetib keldi.
But
Uyg'ur xalqi bu zaminni Sharq
It's
Turkiston
not
deb
enough
ataydi.
to read from the
Shuningdan buyon
documents
Birleşken
without
Milletler Teşkilatı'nınki alayda dokladçıları, tekşiriş organları ve
justice
hayat
will
kalan
not come
guvohchilar
without
bizga
decisions.
birdek
And
ve
recognition,
intayin endish
however
qo'zg'aydigan
important,
bir
it's
manzilni
not accountability.
ko'rsatib berdi.
We doesn't come to this forum as a bystander. We came as an organization, as responsible people
2022 yılı Ağustos'ta Birleşken Milletler Teşkilatı Kişilik Hukuk Ali Komisarlık İşhanesi bir neçe yıllık bağlaştan keyin Uyg'urlar ve rayondagi boshqa asosli musulmon jamoatlarga qaratilgan ig'ir ishak huquq buzarliklarni sodir qilganligini xulosaladi. Dokumentda ko'rsatilishicha keng ko'lamli ve sebepsiz xohlagancha tutqun qilish xalqaro jinoyat bo'lib insoniyatga qarshi jinoyat tashkil qilgan edi. Biz bugun bu yerda faqat hujjatlashtirishninki arxivlashtirishninki o'zi adolat emas uchun jam bo'ldik. Chunki e'tirof qilish qancha muhim bo'lishidan qat'iy nazar javobgarlikni unutish, surishtirish deylik bo'lmaydi. Biz bu yig'inga tomoshabin sifatida kelmadik. Biz bir tashkilot sifatida, mas'uliyatchan kishilar sifatida va dunyo fuqarolari sifatida keldik. Uyg'ur xalqi uchun izchil va oshkora holda ovoz chiqarib kelgan kishilar sifatida keldik. Xonlar apandilar, dunyoning har qaysi joylarida musulmonlar qatorida biz Uyg'ur xalqi, Rohingya xalqi, Falastin xalqi, Bosniya xalqi, Ukraina va Yaman xalqlarini duolarimizni yod qilamiz. Chunki bizning an'anamiz hem an'anamiz bir siyosiy tanlash emas. Bu bir diniy majburiyatdir. Bu munbarninki lagerning 10 yillik e'tirof qilishning javobgarligicha keyingi qadam nima degan temasida dal to'g'ri savolni o'tirib tashladi. Biroq biz hozir turayotgan nuqta bilan yetib kelishimiz, yetib kelmoqchi bo'lgan nuqta orasida musabını samimiylik bilen görüşümüz gerek. Halkara cemiyet bu krizni itiraf kıldı. Amerika Koşmuş Ştatları, Kanada, Angliya, Gollandiya qatarlıqların parlamentleri bu meydanını iniqledi. Germaniya mı təminləş zinciri kanunu arqılıq mühim qanunçılıq qədəmini taşıdı. Biz bu qədəmə qarşı alımız, ulanın toluq icra, ulanın toluq və izcil icra qılışını qollayımız. Avropa hökumətləri arasında mövcud təminləş zinciri qanunlarını qattiq və istisnasız icra qilish to'g'risida o'rtaq tushuncha shakllanishini umid qilamiz. Shundoq bo'lganda Yevropaniki savdo tijorati hech qanday xalqning huquqini bostirishga shirik qilmaydi. Biz Yevropadagi Uyg'ur diaspora jamiyatlarini xalqaro bostirish va nazorat qilish, qo'rqitish, majburlash qatarlıq bisimlardan qo'g'dab qilish uchun amaliy tadbirlarni tuzib chiqish to'g'risida aniq va'da berishni umid qilamiz. Shundaqla bu manbarga qatnashayotgan hukumatlarniki oil jam bo'lishiga munosabatlik amaliy insonparvarlik yordamlarni qilishga shundaqla
every time the attention changed.
Biroq
Now we are discussing another situation worldwide.
Biroq bular yiroq orzular emas. Bular adolat talab qilgan eng tuvan shartlardir. Biz bu yerda to'plangan tajriba, bilim va vijdonninki kelgusi kunlarda bu yo'nalishga haqiqiy mazmun va kuch beradigan ishimiz. Hurmatli mehmonlar, biz dal Şu qimmatli ishonganligimiz uchun bu yerda mush ovozdan ko'taryapmiz. Biz to'qinish izlamaymiz, biz izchillikni talab qilamiz. Biz xalqaro qonun va Germaniya qonuni asosida prinsiplarida har bir insonning qadr-qimmatini qiynashning cheklanishi va diniy erkinlik huquqining geografiyaga siyosiy murakkab siyosiy vaziyatlarda qanday bo'lishidan qat'iy nazar o'xshash qat'iylik va o'xshash jiddiylik bilan qo'llanishni so'raymiz. Chunki Uyg'ur oilalari parchalanmoqda. Buning texmo ig'irlashga qo'ymaslik kerak. Bu so'zlar biz bu minbarniki kelgusi kunlarda hammamizning qalbida saqlanib qoladi. Islom jamiyati milliy görüş Uyg'ur xalqi uchun adolatni ishga oshirish yo'lida mustahkam sherik bo'lib qilishga va'da berdi. Masjidlarimizda, fuqaro jamiyatlarimizda, to'rlarda, iqtisodiy jamiyatlarimizda, Yevropa organlari bilan bo'lgan aloqalarimizda va maydonimizda
Efendiler, aziz yurttaşlar. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and the distinguished
hürmetlik mehmanlar, hayırlı
In the
geç.
end, we will remember not the word of the enemy, but silence of the friend. This word was saying by Martin Luther King
Ahırda
1965.
biz düşmanlarımızın sözünü emas, belki dostlarımızınki sükutunu eslaymiz. Bu sözünü 1965 yılı Martin Luther King etqaydı.
Ambassadors, academics,
Bugün bu sözler yanıla çok ehemmiyetke ega.
media representatives,
Hürmetli senatörler, parlament azaları,
as a
elçiler,
chair
alimler,
of the International
kişilik
Uyghur
hukuk
Forum
qo'g'duvchilari,
Preparation Committee, I welcome
axborot
all three
vakilleri,
international
jurnalistlar,
Uyghur
qadirli
Forum.
dostlar
You're welcome.
ve vatandaşlarım. Ben 3. navbatlik xalqaro Uyg'ur munbiri tayyorlaq komiteti raisi
Uyghur
sifatida
people are
sizlarning
not
hammanglarni
only
3.
fighting
navbatlik
repression.
Uyg'ur
We are also
Uyg'ur munbiriga
fighting
qizg'in qarshi
growing
kelganlar qizg'in qarshi
silence
olaman.
of the world.
Bugun bu yerda
It
bo'lish
has
faqat
now
bir
been 10 years
yig'in qatnashish uchun
since
emas.
the camp
Bu yerda
began.
bo'lish sukutga qarshi
At
turish
first, the
demakdir.
world attention, pay attention.
Bu haqiqatni
Government
endi turishni
speaking
tanlash demakdir.
NGO published a report,
Uyg'ur
journalists
xalqi faqat
investigated,
zulm qarshi kurash qilayotgani
parliament
yo'q.
passed a resolution,
Biz yana
sanction
dunyoninki
were introduced.
kun sari cho'ngayotgan sukutigimi qarshi kurash
All the
qilyapmiz.
time,
Lagerlar
much of attention
qurilganligi mana 10 yil bo'ldi. Dastlabda dunyo diqqat qildi.
did not
Hukumatlar ovoz chiqardi.
The camp
Hukumatlar
did
doklad
not
e'lon qildi.
disappear.
muxbirlar tekshirish ilib
Family
bordi.
are still
Parlamentlar qaror
separated.
ma'qulladi. Jazo
Forever
tadbirlari
continue.
yo'l qo'ydi. Biroq
Millions still live under constant surveillance. 100,000 still don't know very about of their loved one. Just you saw in the exhibition, so many intellectual, Dr. Ilham Tohti, Gülşen Abbas, even my brother, my family members, you can see, they are still in the detention. Suffering did not end. In short, Uyghur genocide.
Biroq vaqtning o'tishi bilan bu diqqatlar ko'p so'zlab ketdi. Biroq vahshiylik so'zlashmadi. Lagerlar yo'qolmadi, oilalar ilm parchalanmoqda. Mecburiy emgak davomlashmoqda. Milyonlagan kishilar davomli nazorat ostida yashamoqda. Milyonlagan kishilar yiqilishning qayerligini e'lon bilmaydi. Azob oqibatlar oyoqlashmadi. Qisqasi, Uyg'ur irqiy qirg'inchiligi ham davom qilmoqda. Uni faqat ko'rmasga silish oson bo'lib qoldi. Bugun nurg'un hukumatlar sukutda. Nurg'un organlar bir qadam keyinga chekindi. Nurg'un kishilar Xitoyni tanqid qilishni qo'rqdi. Ha. Bu bizni umidsizlantirdi.
My dear friend Rushan always saying,
biroq bu bizlarni mag'lub qilolmaydi. Uyg'urlarda bunday bir maqol bor: yetib o'lguncha etib o'l. Ya'ni yotqancha o'lguncha kurash qilib o'l. Biz kurashni dal shundoq davomlashtirdik. Chunki sukutning oqibati nihoyat ochiqdir. Bir do'stimning nihoyat ma'nilik bir so'zi bor: sukut diktatorlarningki oksigeni. Men buning rostligiga ishonaman. Biz diktatorlikqa oksigen bermasligimiz kerak. Sukut odatdagi ishqa aylanganda zulm texmi kuchaydi.
What is the percent as a unity is actually systematic eradication
2026 yil 3-yilda Xitoy hukumati Milliy ittifoq, Millatlar ittifoqlik va taraqqiyot qonuni nomli yangi bir qonun ma'qulladi. Ittifoqlik deb taqdim qilingan bu qonun amaliyotda bir xalqning kimligini sistemalik yo'qotishni nishon qiladi. Bu qonun ittifoqlik emas, bu qonun Uyg'urlarning kimligini yo'qotish uchundir. Bu qonun Tibet kimligini, Mo'ng'ullarning kimligini yo'qotish uchundir. Bu qonun Uyg'urlarning kimligini yo'qotish uchundir. Bu qonun tilni, madaniyatni, diniy e'tiqod va tarixni xotirlash, tarixiy xotirni qayta shakllantirish uchundir. Biroq men buni ochiq aytmoqchi. Biz qo'rqmaymiz. Nurg'un hukumatlar qo'rqish mumkin. Nurg'un shirkatlar qo'rqish mumkin. Nurg'un universitetlar qo'rqidi. Nurg'un olimlar Xitoydan tanqid qilishdan qo'rqidi. Biroq biz qo'rqmaymiz. Chunki biz da'voyimizningki haqiqatga ishonamiz. Chunki biz kurashlarimizningki to'g'ri ekaniga ishonamiz. Dalay Lama aytgandagidek umidvorlikni tanlang. Bu odamni yaxshiroq his qildirdi. Biz uchun umidvorlik sukut qilishning o'rniga so'zni tanlash, voz kechishning o'rniga kurash qilishni tanlash, qorong'ulikqa qaramay texmi adil kelgusiga ishonish demakdir. Biz umidvorlikni tanladik. Biz chin dilimizdan shunga ishonamizki, bir kun kelib lagerlar taqiladi. Bu kun kelganda bu faqat Uyg'urlarning g'alabasi bo'lmaydi. Chunki lagerlarning mavjudligi faqat Uyg'ur masalasilar emas, majburiy emgak faqat Uyg'ur masalasilar emas.
Forced labor is not only the Uyghur issue. Family separation is not only
Oilaning parchasi faqat Uyg'ur masalasi emas. Keng ko'lamli nazorat faqat Uyg'ur masalasilar emas.
This is the challenge of the rule of law. This is the challenge to
Bu
international
demokratiya
order and the challenge to the values of the humanity.
Qonunning ustidagi xalqaro tuzum va insoniyat qiymat qarashlar qaratilgan bir ig'ir sinoqdir. Bu dunyo tinchligiga qaratilgan ig'ir sinoqdir. Shunga lagerlar taqalgan kuni bu faqat bizning muvaffaqiyatimiz bo'lmaydi.
Intellectuals, many others. The journalists
Bu sukutni qilishni rad qilgan olimlarga mas'ul bo'ldi. Adrian Zenz sorunda bor. Laura Murphy
and the politicians
nurg'un olimlar.
who speaking out. Like today we are
Bu haqiqatni so'zlashni davomlashtirgan muxbirlarga mas'ul bo'ldi.
Francis
Biz hergiz vazgeçmegen, bu hergiz vazgeçmegen paliyatçilerge
Jerry
mensup bo'ladi.
Obelfeisers, Antonio Gül, Oliver
Bu ovoz
Ferber,
chiqargan siyosatchilarga
Franz
mensup.
Blanchet, Alex
Bugun biz
Dupit, and
senator
many
Jeff,
others.
Jerry
Some of them,
Oberpfalzer,
they all
Antonian Gül,
worked tirelessly
parlament
day and
azası
night
Oliver Fo,
to adoption
Ev François
Uyghur
Blanchet,
genocide motion
Samuel Zübeyri
in
ve
the
Alex Dusev'ga o'xshash qatorliq jasoratli siyosatchilar
And
bilan
we,
birga bo'lyapmiz.
since all
Ular Uyg'ur
Uyghur
qirg'inchiligining
today,
e'tirof qilinishi uchun
we are
kech kunduz
reminded
tinmay xizmat
why
qildi.
we still have a hope and optimism.
Bugun sizlarning hammanglarning bu yerda ko'rganligim uchun
Like you,
biz nima uchun ilham
still
umid
have
bor ekanligimizni yana bir
Polish
qitim
people like you.
eslaymiz.
we
Chunki
still have a people who
bizning
refuse
sizlarga
silence
o'xshash
like
do'stlarimiz
you.
bor. Sukutlar
This is
qilgan
the hope.
jasoratli kishilar bor. Mana bu
Yes, dear
bizning
friends, ladies and
umidimiz.
gentlemen, dear friends,
Qadrli do'stlar,
before I finish, I would like to
so'zimni
ask
oxirlashdan
you all
burun
stand up,
hammanglarning
please
o'rnidan
stand up.
turishini so'rayman. Marhamat, o'rnidan
Stand
turinglar.
up for refuse silence. Stand up because solidarity is
Sukutlar
matter.
qilganlar uchun turinglar.
Because stand up because we will not
İlham-
surrender to the dictatorship. Stand up, stop ongoing Uyghur genocide and close the
Uyg'ur
camp.
irqiy qirg'inchiligiga qarshi
This
sukut
cause of
turmaganliginglar
reform
uchun
is very
o'ltiringlar.
simple.
Diktatorlikqa bosh egmaganliginglar uchun
Continue
o'ltiringlar.
struggle and to stand together
Uyg'ur
until
qirg'inchiligini
justice
to'xtatish
is
uchun
achieved. Thank you very much.
o'ltiringlar. Lagerlarni taqash uchun o'ltiringlar. Bu minbarning maqsadi oddiy. Sukutni buzish, kurashni davomlashtirish va adolatni ishga oshirish uchun birlikda turish.
Thank
Rahmat
you to
sizlarga.
Mr. Isa. And that brings us to the end of our opening ceremony. We will continue with a 30-minute fireside chat. After this, we will have dinner. So I would like to now
İçiliş murasimimiz
welcome
bu şekilde
to the stage
tugidi.
Benedict Rogers,
Biz yana
who is Senior Director at
30
Fortify Rights and
sekundlik
co-founder and chair of
ixtiyari
Hong Kong
suhbatimiz
Watch.
bor.
And
Great. I just realized I had to press a button. Good evening, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great
Xayrli
pleasure
akşamlar,
and honor
qimmatlik
to be
qatnashchilar,
here
qadrli
at the
apandilar.
International Uyghur Forum. It's wonderful to see many good friends in the room and also many new friends. And it's a privilege to follow all the distinguished speakers that we've just heard from. And may I just
Bu
take
yerda
this opportunity,
uzun yillardan
it's
buyon
wonderful to see His Excellency the Sikh
hamkorlashib kurash qilib kelgan
who I had
sardoshlarimni
the
ko'rganligim
privilege
uchun
of
to'la
meeting in
xursandman.
Dharamsala a few years ago. I just want to congratulate you. It's my privilege to have this conversation, this side chat, even though we don't have a fire, with His Excellency the Ambassador of Taiwan to the European Union and also to Belgium, Ambassador Jiwei Shi. Ambassador Shi and I have met just once before. I don't know if you recall, but we met in Brussels last November at the International Interparliamentary Alliance on China conference, which was addressed, of course, by your Vice President, which was a wonderful surprise. So I'm really honored to have this conversation with you now. Ambassador Shi has a distinguished career both in academia and in diplomacy, and was some years ago the Minister for the Government Information Office in the government of Taiwan, and has been the ambassador to the EU since last year. So the format
Hürmetlik
is that I have a
Belgiyanınki,
few questions I'm
Tayvan'ınki
asked to
Belgiyada
raise
turuşluq
with you, and
vakili
we'll have a
hürmetlik
conversation.
şey efendi.
And then
Biz
we'll go from
ilgili
there. And
bir
we're the
qancha
only
qitim
two people
uchrashgan.
standing between you and dinner, so
Bilmem,
we'll keep this
belki
to,
esingizde
to
bardır.
30 minutes,
Biz
as
o'tgan yili
allocated.
noyabr oyida Brüsselda o'tkazilgan Xitoy qarshi parlamentlararo ittifoq yig'inida kurashgan edik. Bu yig'inda Tayvan'niki
my
Buna
first
muavin
question.
prezident söz kılgan bulup,
In
bu
an
biz üçün ışınanlıq ve
increasingly
yakınlık
uncertain and turbulent
söz
world,
kılgandı.
as has
Şoňa
been alluded to by
biz
many of the speakers,
bugün sizden bu
particularly
söhbetini
the
özgü
speaker from
şerefige ega
Ukraine,
bolgam üçin tolam
where the
kutlaman.
international rules-based
Şey
order
yapandınki,
is
şey yapandın
less
aiti
being shaken,
tecrübelik
yet said
diplomat.
it's collapsed. Where, in your view, is the European Union on the question of its relations with China and the future of Taiwan?
Well, thank you very much for this introduction. Dear friend, since you are talking about a dinner afterwards, the last question, which has been repeatedly asked by journalists to me after the meeting of Trump and Xi Jinping in Beijing, they asked me how I feel. And I said, well, people are talking about not sitting at the table.
Başelçi Şi hem akademik sahada hem diplomatiya sahasida naiti parlaq kasbiy hayatı bolgan. O bir qancha yil ilgari Tayvan hökümetininki axborot ishlari boshqarmasi ministri bo'lib xizmat qilgan. Shundaqla o'tgan yildan buyon Tayvanninki Yevropa ittifoqidagi vakili sifatida bezib o'tmoqda. Bugun bizningki şey efendi bilen bo'lgan shu suhbat o'tkazish fursatiga ega bo'lganimdan xushalman. Sizni bu manbaga qarshi sharaf bilan qarshi olaman.
If not the only one of the most important supplier as regard to high advanced semiconductor. Third, the position we hold in the so-called Indo-Pacific Strategic Alliance. We all know the free and open Indo-Pacific. So with these three pillars, we are sure the stability, the security of Taiwan won't be done. And that's the reason why I used to say
Şunun şuna sualım var. Sizden karşınızda Avrupa İttifakı'nınki Xitay bilen bo'lgan munosabati ve Tayvanning kelgusi meselesida qandaq bir pozitsiyada turyapti? Ko'p rahmat, qadrli do'stlar. Siz kechki ziyofatni tilga olgandingiz, mana bu yaqinda menda davomli so'raladigan bir savolni eslatdi. Beijingda Trump bilan Xi Jinping uchrashgandan keyin nurg'un muxbirlar mendan bu Trump bilan Xi Jinping uchrashgandan keyin nurg'un muxbirlar mendan bu haqda qanday his qilyapsiz deb so'radi. Men ularga shunday javob berdim. Kishilar odatda ustul atrofida kim o'tirdi, kim o'tirmaydi degan masalada, kim o'tirdi, kim o'tirmaydi degan masalada diqqat qiladi. Biroq men uchun eng muhim narsa shu suhbatlarda qandaq fikrlarni o'tirib qo'yildi, qandaq kim nada o'tadi emas, balkim o suhbatda qandaq fikrlar o'tirib qo'yildi, qandaq qarashlar, qandaq qimmat qarashlar qo'g'daldi va qandaq maqsadlar ilgari surildi degandeklar iborat. Bu masala muhokama qilinganda siyosatchilar, olimlar va diplomatlarning hammasiniki o'ziga tushliq bir o'ylagan roli bo'ladi.
I used to say standing really side by side with Chinese dissidents. I know a lot of them and some people from the East Turkestan, Tibet, and I told them, united we stand, divided we fall. And if we Taiwanese, if we fall in love with our human dignity, we fall together with our human rights in our country and with our friends. So, you said, united, stronger, together stronger. I have to point out one of very important achievement which EU had made is to create the concepts of partner, competitor, and systematic rival. Again, before the year 2019.
Qısqacha aytganda, Tayvan'a ait ahamiyetini tushundirgan 3 asosiy omil bor. Birinchisi Tayvan dunyodagi eng ilg'or semikonduktor ta'minlaguvchi. Ikkinchisi Tayvan Hind Tinch Okyan rayonunda intayin mühim stratejik rolu var. Üçüncüsü, erkin ve açık Hind Tinch Okyan karşımız var. Hemimiz bilimiz ki Hind Tinch Okyan rayonundaki muqimlik ve bexatarlik dünya muqimligi bilan zich bağlıq. Şoňa halkaralyk jemgyýet Tayvan boğazının tinchlik muqimligini goýulashga alayda ähmiýet bermekde. Bu mesele fakat Tayvanga münasibetlik emas, belki bütün dünýäge münasibetlik.
The tent, the people Uyghur families separated, putting them in the they call that re-education camp.
Biz hakikaten bir-birimizden indi mörnümörük terep duruşumuz gerek. Ben nurgun dostlarımga cümleden Tibet dostlarımına ait doğumluk şuna deyme. Birleşsek güçümüz küçüydü, başlansak mağlup olmaz. Eğer Tayvan yıkılsa, bu fakat Tayvan'a yıkılış olmaydı. Bizning insani qadr qimmatimiz, kişilik hukukimiz, erkinligimiz ve ortak qimmat qarashlarimizning ziyanga uchraydi. Şoňa biz dostlarımız bilen birlikte duruşumuz gerek. Birleşkende güçleşmek, güçlük bolumuz. Birlikte bolganda tahım kudretlik bolumuz. Men yana şunu alayda ta'kidlamoqchi. Yevropa ittifoqining eng muhim muvaffaqiyatlaridan birida
the danger which China brings is so big and so huge that they have to rethink.
Hemkarlık, raqobatchi sistemlik raqib degan üç tuxumni o'ttirib qo'yganligidir. Bir qancha biroq ikkinchi Yevropaning Xitoy bilan bo'lgan munosabati murakkab ekanligini tushunib yetdi. Bir tarafdan Xitoy ba'zi masalalarda muhim hamkor, yana bir tarafdan iqtisodiy va texnologiya jihatdan kuchli raqobatchi. Şunun bilan bir vaqtda qimmat qarashlari, boshqarish tuzumi va xalqaro tartib masalalarida sistemlik raqib sifatida qaraldi. Bugun Yevropa baqansir shuni tunib yetmekde. Xitoy bilan bo'lgan siyosat faqat savdo va taraqqiyot hisoblarida cheklanib qolmasligi kerak. Kishilik huquq va bexatarlik, strategik mustaqillik va demokratik qimmat qarashlarining o'z ichiga ilinishi kerak. Bu tunush Xitoyga bo'lgan ko'z qarashning o'zgarishida muhim bir qadam bo'ldi.
Just like Japan mission, Korea mission, France mission, and I welcome if it is possible for us to call us Taiwan mission. And if the answer is possible, it's good. And if they say no, that's impossible, then I write on my name card.
Bu o'zgarish nima uchun yuz berdi? Chunki Xitoyning kun sir ishlayotgan ta'sir va paydo bo'lgan xristianlarga bo'lgan ong bag'ansi kuchaymoqda. Biroq bugun Yevropada Xitoy bilan qildigan xavf va xristianlarga bo'lgan tunish ilgi qirg'in ko'p yuqori. Bu tunish faqat siyosiy sohalar emas, balki iqtisod, bexatarlik va texnologiya sohalarida ko'rilmoqda. Bulg'ar texnologiya ta'minlash zanjiri strategik sohalardagi biqimlik masalalarini Yevropani qaytadan o'ylashga majbur qildi. Şoňa bugun nurg'un kishilar Xitoy bilan bo'lgan munosabatlarga texmo realistik va ehtiyotchan nazar bilan qarash kerak deb qaraydi. Menimcha bu yo'nalish kelgusida davomlashishi kerak.
And the word fear, F-E-A-R, it ends with ear. The more you have the fear, the more you have to listen to
Men
yourself
shundaq deb qaraymanki, bizning
and then you can brag
Tayvanning vazifasi Tayvan vakillik organi degan nomni ishlash kerak. Agar bizga bu nomni ishlashga ruxsat qilinsa, bu nihoyat yaxshi ish bo'ladi. Agar ba'zilar Tayvan mission impossible, ya'ni Tayvan mumkin bo'lmagan vazifa deb ataymiz dedi. Chaqchaqmi qildik, ammo eng muhim shuki, biz o'zimizning kimligimiz va qimmat qarashlarimizni ochiq ifodalashda qo'rqmasligimiz lozim. Agar sukutni buzib, haqiqatni aytishga jur'at qilsak, undaqda zulm va bisimning oldida bosh egmaymiz. Sukutni buzish o'zgarishning boshlanishidir.
I'm not coming here to let you get back to the Communist China. CCP, we all know, means not only Chinese Communist Party. CCP means also China can punish. And everyone knows if you surrender to the punishment, to the intimidation, you will lost. I have to say in Western
Adam qancha
maybe
ko'p qo'rqsa,
USA
shuncha
also
ko'p anglishi, tushunishi va haqiqatni idishi kerak. Chunki sukut faqat shundoq qilib buzg'ili bo'ladi. Ba'zida bizning oldimizda vazifa mumkin emas vazifadek turadi. Impossible, mission impossible deb ko'rinadi. Biroq Tayvan uchun, Uyg'urlar uchun, Tibetlar uchun erkinlik ishlaydigan hamma kishilar uchun biz va bu bizdan voz kechmaymiz. Bir-birimizni anglashimiz, bir-birimizni aloqa qilishimiz, birlikda harakat qilishimiz kerak. Mana bu haqiqiy hamkorlikning boshlang'ichidir.
Treat or track, not again. Yeah. So Taiwan would under the ruling party.
Ben bu yerda shuni aniq aytmoqchi. Bugun bu yerga kelishimizning sababining biri model shu. Hammamiz bilamizki, CCP faqat Xitoy Kommunist Partiyasining qisqartmasi emas. China can punish. Xitoy jazolaydi deb mataydi. Chunki nurg'un kishilar Xitoyning besim va qo'rqitishini andisha qiladi. Biroq hammamiz shuni bilamizki, agar biz qo'rqish va tahdidlarga bosh egsak, undaqdan mag'lub bo'lgan bo'lamiz. Shunga sukut qilmasligimiz kerak. Haqiqatni so'zlashdan va o'z qimmat qarashlarimizni qo'g'dashdan voz kechmasligimiz lozim. Ba'zi bu mumkin emas vazifaga o'xshaydi, biroq tarixda nurg'un ishlar sabab dastlabda mumkin emasdek ko'ringan bo'lsa-mu, jasorat va qat'iy iroda bilan amalga oshadi.
People who are not supportive for Turkestan for Tibet is not qualified to act as ambassador here in Berlin. And I think it's very important to work with parliamentarians in the EU. I know quite a lot of them who are very, very supportive, who know it's not about fighting against China. It's about to fight against
Qo'rqitishga bosh egmaslik erkinlik jamiyatlarning eng muhim kuchidir.
how can we cooperate together?
Tayvanning tajribasi shuni ko'rsatdi, agar biz o'z qimmat qarashlarimizda chin tursak, qo'rqib ketmasak, bu bisimlarga taqobil to'g'ri bo'ladi.
The more often we get together, the more we put them under fear. Are we not afraid?
Biz qanday qilib birga ishlaymiz? Birga kurash qila olamiz.
In the last months, in the last years, ever since Xi Jinping took over his office in the year 2012 or at the beginning of 2013, he is increasing.
Şu an Avrupadik parlament a'zolari bilan yaqindan hamkorlashishni intayin muhim. Ularning nurg'unlarini tanima, ular ichida nihoyat kuchli qo'llashlar bor. Ular shuni yaxshi tushundiki, bu kurash Xitoyga qarshi emas, Xitoy qarshi masala emas, bu erkinlik, huquq va inson qadr-qimmatini qo'llash masalasi. Eng muhimi biz qanday qilib bir-birimizni hamkorlasha olamiz? Qanday qilib kuchimizni birlashtira olamiz? Chunki biz qancha ko'p birga jam bo'lsak, qancha ko'p birlikda harakat qilsak, shuncha kuchli bo'lamiz. Birlikligimiz bizning eng chong kuchimizdir.
From Germany, and I said, "Hello, I'm afraid of China." And he said, "Together, stronger." So, as regard to, I come to maybe to close my reading. You know, you have all of you have suffered. You have suffered. Here in Europe, people used to say, "My home is my castle," and for many people, my home has been cancelled.
Biz qo'rqmaymiz chunki biz haqiqatlar bitiramiz. Xitoyda 2012-2013dan boshlab zo'r siyosiy o'zgarishlar yuz berdi. Xi Jinping hukumat kelgandan beri davlatning siyosati bu yo'nalishni bag'ansir qattiqlashtirdi. Bu o'zgarishlar faqat Xitoyning ichiga ta'sir qilib qolmay, xalqaro jamiyatga bo'lgan ta'sirini kuchaytirdi. Shunga biz texnik ko'p hamkorlikka muhtoj. Yevropada bo'libmi Germaniyada siyosiy sohadagi do'stlarimiz bilan birlikda xizmat qilishimiz nihoyat muhim. Chunki biz birlikda harakat qilgandala o'rtaq qimmat qarashlarimizni texmi önümlük qo'lday olamiz. Sukut qilishning vaqti yo'q, vaqt o'tdi. Bugungi kunda bizga kerak bo'lgan jasorat, hamkorlik va o'rtaq harakatdir.
That's the first for me, the first so significant example in the literature telling you what is resilience. Resilience, you know, means
Sizlar hammalar azab oqibatlarni beshingdan kechirdiңlar. Bu yerda Yevropada nurg'un kishilar ilgirki uyim mening qalamdir deydi. Biroq bugun nurg'un kishilar uchun bunday deyish qiyin bo'lib qoldi. Ba'zilar uchun hatto uymi hamda bexatar joy emas. Besim, qo'rqitish, davlat orqaga bostirish siyosatlari kishilarning kundalik turmushiga yetib bordi. Shunga biz bu masalalarga sal qaray olmaymiz. Biz kishilarning bexatarligi, erkinligi va insoniy qadr-qimmatini qo'llash uchun birlikda harakat qilishimiz o'rtaq mas'uliyatimizdir.
And should I repeat everything I said? Oh no, yeah. So
Agar qish kelsa bari yiroq bo'lamdi. Bu adabiyot tarixidagi eng ta'sirli jumlalarning biri. Men uchun bu qaysarlikning eng yaxshi tasvirisidir. Qaysarlik deganlik hargizmi qiyinchilikning yo'qligini bildirmaydi. Aksicha qiyinchilik va besim to'saqli mavjud bo'lgan taqdirdami umidni yo'qotmaslikdir. Biz nurg'un qiyin sinoqlarga duch kelamiz. Tashviqot, yolg'onchilik, besim, qo'rqitish duch kelyapmiz. Biroq bizning orzuyimiz, ishonchimiz hech kim tatib olmaydi. Shunga biz umidimizni saqlab qolishimiz kerak. Chunki tarix bizga shuni o'rgatdiki, eng uzun qishmo oxir boriga yo'l beradi. Va adolat uchun bo'lgan kurash hargiz behuda emas.
Who looks familiar, but who is really your friend, who is your enemy. Not every Chinese is enemy, not every Taiwanese is also friend. We have to make difference so we can survive. I'll end with, you know, in English, there are so many words ending with let. They don't mean the same thing. So when you are sad, you want to digest your melancholy, you read Shakespeare's Hamlet. But when you're hungry, you make yourself a French omelette. When you want to buy something cheap and good, you go to the outlet. When you want to release yourself, you go to the toilet. So making difference means also making friends with whom you can work together. Ladies and gentlemen, Taiwanese people are always there to work together with you to fight against this CCP until the day we say we can have our own country in our home. And that would be the spring of the resilience. That was mine. Thank you.
Thank you very much. There are many profound messages in there, but if I can just highlight two from what you are saying, and other speakers have delivered a similar message earlier. We need to build a united front to counter.
Kimning haqiqiy do'st, kimning haqiqiy raqib ekanligini farqlantirishni aytmayman. Agar Xitoy dushmanimiz emas, shuningdek har bir Xitoylik dushmanimiz emas. Shuningdek har bir odammi do'stimiz bo'lolmaydi. Biz bu farqni tushunishimiz kerak, chunki hayot qilish, muvaffaqiyat qozonish uchun kimlar bilan hamkorlashmaydiganligimizni bilishimiz zarur. Ingliz tilida o'xshash og'irlashgan, biroq butunlay o'xshamaydigan ma'noga ega nurg'un so'zlar bor. Odamlarmi shundoq. Shunga farqni bilish, ya'ni kimlar bilan birlikda xizmat qilayotganimizni bilishimiz nihoyat muhim. Tayvan xalqi va Tibet xalqi hamisha sizlar bilan birga tayyor. Biz Uyg'ur xalqi bilan birlikda hamkorlashishni, erkinlik, huquq va insoniy qadr-qimmat uchun kurash qilishni davomlashtiramiz. Biz o'z vatanimizga erkin va izzat hurmat bilan yashaydigan kun kelguncha bu kurashni davom ettiramiz.
And supporting Putin.
Supporting Putin, exactly. Just a couple of days ago, the news came out in my country, the UK, that a few years ago the Prime Minister's car was bugged by, we assume, by the Chinese. So from your perspective in Brussels, do you think political leaders in Europe
Riyaset
are
cepheli
waking
ki
up to this
sizin bu
reality? And if
sözünüzden
so,
nəhayət
what
çoğunqur mənlər
should
ba.
they be doing about
Əgər
it?
mən iki mühim nöqtəni alayı təkləyən bolsam, birincisi bugün siz və sizin ilk söz qılğanlar təkləyəndək birləşkən bir səp quruşumuz kerak. İkincisi biz şunu düşünüşümüz kerak, müstəbit tüzümlər və xalqqa qartılğan bastırış siyasətlərini küçəytib atqan bir peytdə demokratik güclər və erkinlik işindiğin kişilərlə texim yaxın həmkarlıq kerak. Bu bizim ortaq məsuliyyətimizdir.
They are very much aware of what CCP has been doing, and they are aware of the necessity to work together. So they have built up a close, even with Trump, even with Japan, with Philippines. They are trying to build an close ocean cooperation. NATO, we all know, is
Təhdidlər bağlantısı iş oldu. Bir gün burunla xəbərdə Avropadakı bir baş ministerinin otomobilinin küzətiş üskülləri bilən məxfi nazarət qılınğanlığı oturuq çıxdı. Bəzilər bunun arxasında Xitay turuşu mümkün deyə qarmaqda. Bu xil vəqələr bizə bir nərsəni əskətidir. Avropadakı siyasi rəhbərlər və demokratik cəmiyyətlər bu xristianlığa səl qarmaslığı kerak. Bu məsələ faqat torda Kürdistan yoki Iroqdagi bir yuz berayotgan bir ishlar emas. O bizning bexatarligimiz, demokratiyamiz va erkinligimizga bevosita munosabatlidir. Shunga biz bu masalalarga jiddiy muomala qilishimiz kerak.
That should be stopped, and it has been doing. Secondly, of course, they are making business, still making business. But if you rate the China strategy, 2024, published on the 14th July, I was still there, and they want to diversify the supply chain. It's not easy.
So'z shuki, keyingi qadamda nima qilishimiz lozim? Meningcha, hammamiz birlikda harakat qilishdan zo'rligini bag'ansiz texmi yaxshi tushunyapmiz. Shunga o'xshash qimmat qarashga ega davlatlar va sheriklar orasida hamkorlik kuchaymoqda. Bu jarayonda Amerika bilan, Yaponiya bilan, Filippin qatorliq davlatlar bilan yaqin hamkorlik o'rnatishga tirishilmoqda. Maqsad Hind Tinch okean rayonidagi bexatarlik muqimligini kuchaytirish. Ba'zilar buni rayondagi bexatarlik hamkorligining bag'asini cho'nqilishi deb qaramoqda. Hammamiz bilamizki, bugungi xristianlarni yolg'iz bir davlatning o'zi hal qila olmaydi. Shunga ishonchga tayinadigan hamkorlik o'rta harakat bag'ansiri muhim bo'lmoqda. Bu faqat bexatarlik masalasi emas, balki erkinlik, demokratiya, qonun ustunligini qo'llash masalasidir.
At least 80 submarines, destroyers, and so on. And what have the country, not only in NATO, but in
birinchidan sezgir va tilg'a ilg'or texnologiya Xitoyga yetkazilish cheklanishi, ya'ni to'xtatilishi kerak. Bu jihatda ba'zi qadamlar oldi bilan tashlanmoqda. Ikkinchisi, Yevropa Ittifoqi bilan boshqa demokratik davlatlar Xitoyga bo'lgan iqtisodiy yaqinlikni azaltish uchun yangi siyosatlarni yo'l qo'yish kerak. Xitoyga oid strategiya va siyosiy hujjatlarda bu masala bag'ansir ko'proq o'rin olmoqda. Ular ta'minlash zanjirini ko'p xillashtirishga va birla davlatga haddan ziyada biqinib qilishning oldini olishga tirishmoqda. Albatta bu oson ish emas, chunki dunyo iqtisodidan uzun yillardan buyon bir-biriga cho'nqur bog'lanib kelgan. Biroq shunga qaramay, nurg'un davlatlar yangi sheriklarni izlash, yangi bozorlarni ochish va iqtisodiy chidamchanlikni oshirish uchun tirishmoqda. Bu faqat iqtisodiy masala emas, balki bexatarlik va strategiyalik mustaqillik masalasidir.
2024, to be exact, on the 13th September. So that's very, very clear message to China. And from there, based on the human dignity,
Bugün bir muhim bir burilish nuqtasida turyapmiz. Yevropa va Amerika bag'ansiri bu xristianlarga o'rtaq javob qaytarishning zo'rligini tanib yetmoqda. Bu faqat NATO doirasidagi bexatarlik hamkorligini bilanla cheklanib qolmaydi. Texnologiya, sanoat, ta'minlash zanjiri, strategiyalik sohalarda hamkorlikni o'z ichiga oladi. Bugun nurg'un davlatlar o'zlarining muhim texnologiya va strategiyalik sohalarini əsərlərini qoğdaşqa texmo əhmiyyət verməkdə. Şunun bilan birlə birli dövlətə həddidən ziyoda beqinib qilishning xavflarini bağansir aniq ko'rmoqda. Şuna biz texmi chidamliq, texmi bexatar, texmi ishonchli hamkorlik qurishga tirishishimiz lozim. Bu faqatla bugun uchun emas, balki kelajak avlodlar uchun muhim.
I know recently there was an effort which I think was not successful, unfortunately, but to try to get Taiwan back into the World Health Organization. There have been efforts to advocate, for example, observer status at the minimum at the United Nations. Is there more that all of us in this room, as we advocate quite rightly for the Uyghurs, which is the focus of this conference, but is there more that we could do in multilateral
Demokratik cemiyetler öz kıymet qarashlarından vaz geçmeydi. Bizning mavqeyimiz insoniy qadr-qimmat va erkinlik prinsiplariga asoslanadi. Bu yo'lda bizga kerak bo'lgani qat'iy iroda va davomli tirishchanlikdir. Shuning bilan bir vaqtda Yevropa va Amerika orasidagi hamkorlikning muhimligi bag'ansir aniq bo'lmoqda. Chunki kishilik huquq, demokratiya, qonun ustunligini qo'llash faqat bir davlatning mas'uliyati emas, barliq demokratik jamiyatlarning o'rtaq vazifasidir.
The right to represent China in the UN of Chiang Kai-shek was given over to the representative of Mao Zedong. And since then, longer than 70 years, Taiwan has been standing outside, out of the United Nations.
Bo'libmi texnologiya va strategik sohalarda bu hamkorlik bag'ansiri muhim bo'lmoqda. Yaqinda Tayvanning Dunyo sog'liqlik tashkilotida WHO bilan bog'liq aloqasi kuchaytirish va uning xalqaro sog'liq hamkorlik qaytadan qatnashish uchun tirishchiliklar bo'ldi. Afsuski bu tirishchiliklar ko'zlagan natijaga erishilmadi. Biroq bu masala yana xalqaro diqqatda turmoqda. Chunki yuqumli kasalliklar jamoat sog'lomligi va sog'liq bexatarlikdagi davlat chegarasi tunimaydi. Shun xalqaro jamiyatning mumkin qadar keng doirada hamkorlashishi va hammalarning manfaatiga uyg'undir.
It is not given by UN, it is not given by Xi Jinping, it's ours. It's ours. So we are not asking for something, we are taking back what has once belonged to us.
Tayvanda Dunyo sog'liqlik tashkilotiga qatnashish uchun ko'p qatim tirishchiliklar bo'ldi. Boshqa nurg'un davlatlar Tayvanning xalqaro tashkilotlarga ahamiyatli qatnashishi kerak deb qaramoqda. Masalaning tarixiy arx ko'rinishiga qarasak, BDTdagi Xitoylarning Xitoy o'tkazilgan Xitoyning o'rni Xalq Jumhuriyatini Xitoyga o'tkazilgan endi bu yan Tayvan 10 yildan beri BDT sistemining sirida qoldi. Shuning bilan Tayvan xalqaro sohaning o'zining o'rni va ovozini saqlash uchun davomli tirishib kelmoqda. Faqat siyosiyni siz bo'lib qolmay, ya'ni 23 milliondan ortiq Tayvan xalqining xalqaro jamiyatga o'rni va vakilligiga munosabat.
I don't quite hear stomachs rumbling, but we might hear them if we carry on too much longer. Ambassador, I just want to say what a fascinating conversation this has been. And I'm so encouraged to hear, not only from you, but from all the speakers earlier, the emphasis on the importance of us standing together.
Biroq bugungi Tayvan dunyo eng ilg'or texnologiya, strategiya, sanoat va yangilik yaratish sohalariga muhim kuchlarning biriga aylandi. Bizning talabimiz odil va muvofiq bo'lgan bir o'ringa ega bo'lish. Huquqni BDT bizga bergan emas, huquqni Xi Jinping bergan emas. Bu o'zini bizning o'zimiz talab
and I look forward to continuing to do so and to seeing not China taking over Taiwan, but actually Taiwan's example of vibrant democracy.
Biz faqat bizga tava bo'lgan, bizdan tortilgan yoki bizga mahrum qilingan o'rin huquqlarni qayta kelishni xohlaymiz. Shuning bilan Tayvan elchisiga rahmat aytib, bugungi suhbatni oxirlashtirdik.
Thank you, Benedict, and thank you to the Taiwanese ambassador. So now this brings us to dinner. I hear some of you are hungry. So please, you can go upstairs. It's near the entrance of the hotel. My colleagues will be there to guide you. So bon appétit and see you later.